Are we live? Just a sec. Let me check. Yeah, we are live. Stream health. Everything looks fine. All right. So, hello everyone, and welcome to this new stream. So, basically, I'm starting to build my own SaaS. And if you enjoy the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. And let's get started. All right. So, what are we building? Basically, we are building an appointment booking SaaS, right? We're building an appointment booking SaaS. It has two sides. It has a customer side, customer side, and it has a business side. So what will happen in the customer side? So in the customer side, customer needs to create an account, then customer needs to create a service for which they want to book the appointment, and service can be JJ me 8 is. Hello JJ, welcome to my stream. How are you? Awesome. Thanks JJ. JJ, tell me about the project. Basically, JJ, I'm trying to build an appointment booking SaaS, and this we there will be two sides: a client, customer side, and a business side. And in the business side, business can book an appointment offline and online. Basically, if it's an offline appointment, then through this platform the customer can pay and book an appointment for a particular date and time. And if it's an online appointment, like something related to meeting, online sessions and all, then we'll create a Google link meet and we'll send it to the email, and then people can conduct the session. So service, this thing can be online session, online session, and it can also be offline session, right? And if it's an offline session, then here the business needs to provide JJ Media. Sounds cool, will be a great learning. Thanks JJ. So here, if it's an offline, give the address Abhinav. Hello Kunnu Abhinav, welcome to my stream. Which stack using to build? I'll be using Punch stack, Postgres, Express, React, and Node, and basically Next.js for front end part, and backend Express, React, Express, Node, and Postgres. Give the address, and here, hold on, give the address, then booking price, then here we'll have, hold on, and then here we'll have, after booking price, we'll have available slots, available booking slots, just a sec. Available booking slots, and what else? Available booking slots. That is just a sec. It's actually available booking slots like this. And what else? If it's an offline business, basically offline business, how will it work? The customer will come to the platform, book a slot, pay the amount, and then booking will be done. And then in the email link, customer will get the booking details like say address and time and date of the appointment, right? This is it in the offline. And if it's online, then after all of this, what we'll do, send appointment details to the customer email. This is done. And if it's Priyanshu, what are you doing? Priyanshu, I'm trying to build my own SaaS, and here, basically, today is the first day, and I'm trying to build the entire structure of the SaaS and what I need to build exactly. So, and if it's an online session, then what will do? If it's an online session, then we'll have the link, the Google Meet. Then after this, Kumar Ayush. Hello, Kumar Ayush. Welcome to my stream. Brother, can I code along with you and improve my learning and can use it for my resume? I won't blind code but learn on the go. Yeah, you can learn on the go. Priyanshu, how it works. Basically, it's a appointment booking SaaS, and appointment can be online and offline. And if it's an offline, then we need to enter the details, and then the customer who books it will get the appointment detail in the email. And here we'll also manage the payments of the customer. Basically, the customer will pay, and then the customer can book a meeting, book an appointment. And if it's an online session, then we'll need to link the Google Meet, and then appointment price, booking price, appoint booking price, price booking price here. What else? Then also available booking slots. We'll have available booking slots. सूरज SaaS मिल गई क्या? हाँ सूरज, available booking slots. And then after this we'll send the meeting link in customer email. Just a sec. Okay, hold on. Customer email, hold on, just customer email. Okay, let's keep it like this. I don't know why we cannot change it. All right, this is done. This is the basic thing. And in the client customer side, what will happen? Customer will basically get a link, booking link. Customer will get the booking link. Then after that what we'll do, then after that the customer will pay. Then after that customer will pay, right? And then after this customer will pay, and then Customer will select the date and time of the appointment appointment then after this, if if it's an offline appointment, customer will get the details in the in the email, right? And or if it's an appoint online appointment, customer will get the scheduled meeting link in the email. So this is the basic flow of the app. Shivam Gupta, it's like offline chat messenger command line tool without internet npm polin transmit package. I can check it out once. Okay, I'll check it out after the stream. Suraj, planning to use N8N automation backend? No. Priyanshu, what is the benefit? Basically, it's a platform where business can manage the appointments, can manage the payments, and also get the customers' details. And from the customer side, it's a from here the customers can book online and offline. Basically, if it's a online business coach, right, then it's a online meeting, and if it's an offline, basically if it's a barber shop, like I'm talking about all the global businesses that are doing offline businesses, right? Then they can just book the appointment for a particular business, and then they'll get the detail in the email. Why are you not using AI? I'll be using AI. Basically, a bit of AI I'll use to make speed up the process, because with N8N it's easy and reproduce each time the customizable as per your needs. Okay, I think you should brainstorm your SaaS features with GPT and ask for refinement. Yeah, I'll do that. Arnav, hello Arnav, welcome to my stream. Hi, hey, I watched all your streams since a month now. I wanted to just share. I raised a $40,000 for my cybersec startup. That's great, Arnav. Congratulations, brother. सूरज, भाई की SaaS बिजनेस की असिस्टेंट की जॉब लेगी भाई की SaaS बिजनेस की असिस्टेंट की जॉब लेगा. Let's see. All right. So we build this now. Let's go to GPT. I am. You are a entree. You are a full stack developer and an engineer. You are building a appointment booking SaaS. Here, the business can create their account, create a service, online slash offline service. If it's an online service, then create an account, and then customer, then the business needs to link their Google Meet and calendar. If it's an online business, okay. Harshit, क्या आपको लाइव स्ट्रीम करके सैस बनाना नुकसान नहीं देगा? नुकसान कैसे? लाइक यहाँ पे मैं सेंसिटिव डेटा तो ऑब्वियसली दिखाऊंगा नहीं, कुछ कुछ चीज़ जैसे एन बी वेरिएबल्स वगैरह है वो सब नहीं दिखाऊंगा. Pranav, hello Pranav, welcome to my stream. Suraj, don't ask us a suggestion as developer, ask us project manager or BDA. Okay. Tyler, what's up? Hello Tyler, welcome back to my stream, brother. Today I'm building my SaaS. This is day one. Anirudh, hi, hello Anirudh, welcome back to my stream. Suraj, if you use Claude, it's 10 times better than GPT. Give it a try. Okay. If it's an online, if it's an offline business, if it's an offline business, then uh, then the business need to provide the physical business address, link there go a business address, then address, and then the business will get a link that they can share with the customer so that customer can book the appointment. When the customer clicks on the link, then customer can see the services created by that business, and then they can select the service for which they want to book an appointment, and first the customer will pay, and then the customer first the customer will choose the available date and time for the appointment, and then customer needs to pay the booking amount set by the business to confirm the appointment. Ibrahim, finally you played in finally. Welcome back, Ibrahim. Pheronix, what's cooking? Pheronix, today we're building the SaaS. Ibrahim, nah, I feel Codex is better for me. Cloud Code is good for people with no idea about architecture. If you want your architecture and code and you want to, okay, Codex is better, alright. Ibrahim Mohsin, we talking about Codex versus Cloud Code, not ChatGPT versus Claude. These are general tools, not specific tool. Okay. Renova, hello bro, how are you doing? Hello Renova, welcome to my stream. How are you? Ibrahim, what's your keyboard, Abhishek? The keyboard is called EvoFox S Anish. Hello S Anish, welcome to my stream. Hello bro. Did you try building anything in stock market space? Not yet. Not yet. Home ID. भैया SaaS क्या होता है? Home ID basically SaaS एक business model होता है. It's called software as a service. Software as a service. Basically यहाँ पे we create a software and then we create a subscription model where customer comes and pays according to the need. Jewel manual, what have you selected? We are building an appointment booking SaaS, but it's not like it's for offline and online appointments. Okay, the amount set. By the way, guys, I've created Discord server. If you guys are interested, you can check the description of the stream. Yes, Anish, do you remember me? Yes, Anish, I do remember you. Okay, the booking must have the business to confirm the appointment. Then, based on the online or offline service, and if the customer selected the online service, then the customer will receive the scheduled meeting link in its email, right? Or and if the customer selected an offline service, then the customer will get the service detail in the email. This is the thing. The business can see the the business will get the notification in the email when a customer books an appointment. This is the first thing. The business can the business can see the customer details and the payments in the dashboard. The business can add, but that's it. Can add, yeah, fine. That's it. This is the SaaS you are building. Building. Fine. Okay, this is SaaS that you are building. मेकर्स मैन, हेलो अभिषेक, कैसे हो भाई? मैं बढ़िया मेकर्स मैन, तुम कैसे हो? Harshit, hello Harshit, welcome to my stream. What are you building today? I'm from today I've started building my SaaS, software as a service. Home ID, how SaaS can be used in offline way. For example, if it's an offline business, then actually from this platform, a customer can book a physical appointment date. For example, if you are booking a doctor's appointment, right? From this platform, you can book an appointment for the doctor, and then on that particular date and time, you need to go to the doctor's office. That's it. So through this platform, you are booking the appointment. This SaaS, this is the SaaS you are building. This is the SaaS you are building. Now plan it, and now plan it carefully and create a structured and detailed implementation phase steps. All right. You are essentially building a Calendly plus Stripe Google Meet style niche SaaS. Since you are a full stack dev, React, Next, from your memory. The key is to build MVP first, then scale features. Philo is a okay appointment booking SaaS full implementation fair tech stack. I'll tell the tech stack. Okay, fine. Database. Okay. Payments. Okay. Recent or send grid. Okay. Canada Google Calendar API. Okay, fine. Auth. Database design. Okay. Ibrahim. It's called software in offline. When the software is online, hosted on VPS cloud, it's called SaaS. Okay. Yes, Anish. Have a idea in hiring space. So whenever you apply for jobs or internship, they give an assignment in written, and there are no tools for ours to evaluate the candidate solution to monitor AI usage. Okay, nice. So this is authentication, register, go and sign up, register, create user, generate slug. Okay. Coaching, fitness coaching, Dr. Smith, logic, auth, login, dashboard, services, booking, payment settings. Okay. Fine. Bookings, show total bookings, revenue, upcoming appointments, bit service, online, offline, duration, price, location if offline, service, okay, guarantor integration, Google auth, if service online, connect Google, flow, connect, okay, fine, phase 6, public booking page, saas.com/business slug, Rahul, okay, fine, business name, services, booking flow, slot availability engine. This is the hardest part. Get business availability, get existing bookings, remove booked slots. Fine. No booked ones. Phase 8, payment integration. Book appointment. Okay, fine. In Google Meet. I'm Mosin. Niranjan. Medical appointment. It can be used for any offline plus online business. For example, if you're going for a coaching call with someone, then it's an online appointment, right? You will get the meeting link in your email. And if it's an offline appointment, maybe with a doctor, maybe with any offline business, then you will get the meeting details in your email, where you will get the physical address, where you need to go, when you need to go, and how much you paid, and all those things. Fine. Google Meeting creation. Google Meet creation is service type online. Or notification. Booked. Dashboard. Schedule. Page 70. Just go build first. Do not build anything. Create service. Public booking page. Time slots. Okay. Skip. Reschedule. Analytics. Team member reminders. Page 18. Future SaaS features. Real SaaS important. What makes people choose you? Calendly over Calendly? Pick one niche. Doctor booking. Honest engineer. Since your goal sounds, should be all right. Let's go with this. If you want a folder structure, fine. Copy this. Now this. Go to Notion. Bro, use Quen chat for each other. Okay, भैया software के. Now we'll go here. Just a sec. Recents. If I come here, what is this thing? Okay, and this entirely. And here, cut this and this here. Appointment booking SaaS full implementation. Okay, fine. This is done. So first, let's create this. Okay, this design. Let's I will integrate payment at the end. Let's start with database design carefully, and it should and it should be production ready database design. Good production ready database is critical for booking a SaaS. Okay. Time zones cancellation. If you design it well now, you can avoid painful migration data since you have Postgres Prisma with Next.js. Oh, the tech stack I will use is Express is TypeScript, Express.js, Node.js, Prisma 7, PostgreSQL, Zord, Node.js, JSON Web Token, bcrypt, then Next.js 16, shadcn, tailwind, css, redux. Okay, all right. होम आईडी भैया सॉफ्टवेयर को बनाने के लिए डीएसए सीखना होता है क्या? लाइक अगर आपका गोल डायरेक्ट सॉफ्टवेयर बनाना है तो डीएसए स्किप कर सकते हो. Ibrahim Hossein, and you can use Google Meet integration, Google Calendar API. Oh, yes, I'll be using that. Yes, Anish, I meant HR's bro, not ours. Okay, okay. Biryan, hello Biryan, welcome to my stream. Why would a business not have their own website with appointment booking system rather than using a software bunch of another businesses? Basically, if it's a quick online business and offline business, somebody like it can actually, you know, say website banane se you have to maintain all of this also, right? So there will be a freemium model. Basically, in the free version, I'll just my platform will just 5 to 6% of commission from each transaction, and if in the paid version there will be 0% commission, but there will be a monthly subscription. That's it. Ibrahim Hossein, those things really don't work. We can bypass any watchdog. Okay. Ibrahim Hossein, nah, bro, I am not able to explain it properly because I am not able to type it. Okay. Ibrahim Hossein, maybe. Okay. Pheronix, monetization हुआ अभी तक तो नहीं. Farhan, all the best, bye. Thank you, Farhan, and welcome to my stream. Ibrahim Hossein, okay. ये भैया थोड़ा गाइड कर दो. यस भैया, ओके. क्या सीखना पड़ता है? मेरा बहुत इंटरेस्ट है इन चीज़ों में. पहले एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सीखो. मैं तो बोलता जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखो, रिएक्ट सीखो, HTML CSS सीखो पहले. उसके बाद fine, DSA will help you crack interviews. Okay, QLA, okay, GLA, not build websites or softwares. Okay. Hello sir, कैसे हो? परचाना आपने. Hello Sagar, welcome to my stream. You need to know system design, architecture, focus on appointment. Okay, optimization. Okay, and C++ in games. What's going on? Epidemium. Hello Epidemium, welcome back to my stream. What's going on, bro? Epidemium, today I'm trying to like from today I started building my SaaS. Okay. भैया Next.js इस प्रोजेक्ट Next.js प्रोजेक्ट लिया टाइपस्क्रिप्ट या Next.js और टाइपस्क्रिप्ट यूज़ करेंगे बट फ्रंट एंड के लिए. बैकएंड तो हम लोग खुद से एक्सप्रेस यूज़ करके बनाएंगे. नोटर एआई बन गया क्या? हाँ, नोटर एआई बन गया है. डॉक्यूमेंट लाइक कोड मेरे गिटहब में आप देख सकते हो. Okay, the text is solid for production SaaS in Node.js, Express, Postgres, Prisma, Next.js. You can build a scalable booking platform similar to Calendly. Since you want production-ready database design and translate the architecture into clean Prisma schema structure that works perfectly with TypeScript. Okay. Users authenticate, model users, ID, name, email, password, hash, role. Organizations. Okay. User role, owner, admin, staff. Okay. Organizations, each business gets a public booking page. Your app, okay. Organizations, slug, time zone, logo, URL, okay, fine. Services, bookings, availability rules, Google integration, payments, okay. Services, okay. First let's initialize the project. Go to mkdir backend, and also make mkdir front end. This is done. Then we'll go to cd backend here, npm init -y, npm init -y, go to backend, package.json. It will be module. Firstly, I'll make this module here. This is done. And after this main, okay. Niranjan, in 2023 in college, we made a similar but medical niche specific project in hackathon, which won third prize, which was appointment booking through call, but call is received by AI agent. Okay, that's nice. Apps are included in software. Okay, are you using Copilot agent mode? No, I'm using. No, I'm not using AI right now. AI coding editors. Niranjan, the time it was good project from. Okay, fine. Anish, suggest me some videos to learn Next.js and JavaScript. You can learn JavaScript from Chai और Code YouTube चैनल. भैया कौन से ट्यूटोरियल से टाइपस्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा ना आइडियाज़. मैं तो टाइपस्क्रिप्ट एक्चुअली चैट जीपीटी से पढ़ा. मैं चैट जीपीटी से कोड कर करके सीख गया. इब्राहिम मोहसिन, एप्स आर सॉफ्टवेयर के. शुभ, क्या डिसाइड हुआ? शुभ अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग सिस्टम बना रहे. परचाई फाइनली डिस्कॉर्ड. हाँ या डिस्कॉर्ड लिंक इज़ अवेलेबल नाउ, डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. फाइन, ओके, दिस इज़ डन. And I'll go to my GitHub. Go to GitHub repositories, and here I can go to Node AI agent node maker. We got this backend package.json. Fine, and we got all of this. Okay, so okay, fine. So we get npm I express. What I need, npm I express bcrypt cookie parser course .env then json. अभी इतना ही रखते हैं. npm bcrypt cookie parser course. Aditya, hello Aditya, welcome to my stream. I don't know what SaaS do, but I want to ask why you're building SaaS for. I'm building SaaS, so that people can use it and we can build it into a startup or something. Okay, so .env is also done. Express.env, npm I. What is this? I need JSON web token, then pg is required and zord is required. Fine. pg zord is done. Fine. Okay, so this is done. Then after this we have Prisma adapter and Prisma client. Prisma adapter. Okay, and okay, fine. npm I -d, we need Prisma first. npm I -d Prisma. It is getting installed. Fine. See, the most important thing is to create the database schemas first and the entire database flow. Ibrahim Osin, Abhishek be like, why is this no bro, you can answer all these questions. It's fine. Go ahead, if you know the answers, if you can help people, that I'll be great. I'll be very grateful for that. npm I -d Prisma. Hold on, why is it taking so much time? Prisma tsx TypeScript. Fine. And okay, all right. Okay, fine. Prisma 7. Okay, then npm I @prisma dash client and Prisma dash client and Prisma adapter pg. Prisma adapter pg. Fine, adapter pg is required. The Executor, hi, how is it going? Hope your day is going good. Yeah, welcome to my stream, The Executor. What's up? Okay, so these things are done, and just a sec. Now we need the types. npm I dash d. I need TypeScript and tsx. TypeScript and tsx. Yes, we need this. Ibrahim, I saw a lady watching YouTube live on YouTube and she had 1.3k watchers and I was like humanity is truly gone. I saw a lady watching YouTube live on YouTube and she had okay. Web dev, what adapter does? Actually, in Prisma 7 a new update came. Basically, if we want to use a particular database, for example, if in this case we are using Prisma, right, PostgreSQL, first we need this dependency as PG, and secondly, inside Prisma I need to use this adapter PG that is specifically designed for working with Postgres. So this is what it does. And basically, if I was using MySQL, then I would be using adapter or MySQL, right? So that's the thing. Prisma TypeScript. Now npm I dash d at the rate types slash express at the rate types slash decrypt at the rate types slash cookie parse. Okay, hold on. Do we have cookie parser? Yes, we have type slash cookie parser. Okay. Parchai. Okay. This is done. Backend cookie parser, bcrypt cookie parser, npm I dash d at the rate types slash course at the rate types slash course. After this bcrypt course json web token at the rate types slash node and at the rate type slash pg. Fine, there we go, we did all this. Fine, and after this, so project initialization is done. Now I need to create ts config. Alright, so here I'll create tsconfig.json and okay, node next. Fine, and if I come here, we got this, and after this Prisma npm I just hold on, npx, oh, what was the command for Prisma initializer? Prisma and Prisma config.ts. Go to Prisma docs, init, okay, create quick start PostgreSQL. Hello, okay, fine. Okay, input, okay, Prisma types, okay, fine. This is, we have done this. Install, did I install .env? Package.json .env is installed, okay. And Firstish, yo, hello Firstish, welcome to my stream. Code World, whose repo is that? That's my repo only. Basically, it's from my previous project. Yeah. Um Warike, hello Warika, welcome to my stream. Warike, hi bro, did you finish the other project? Yes, the AI agent note maker is done. So this is done. Note deprecation update, yes. For Prisma ORM by okay, fine npx Prisma. Yes. Generate schema using Prisma client. Okay. Database URL. Fine. Define your model. Post migration. Okay. So we need to do npx Prisma. Next setup. You can now invoke Prisma CLI by prefixing npx. Next, you set up ORM project by creating the Prisma schema file with the following command. Okay. Let's do npx Prisma. Here we do npx Prisma. Let's see what we get. What did we get? What happened? Nothing happened. Npx Prisma. Okay, npx Prisma init, I think. Fine. And here we'll create src first. Fine, this is also done. Prisma init is done. Now Prisma config.ts database URL, and I'll open my pgadmin. RVR Beatbox. Hello, Beatbox. Welcome to my stream. First time on stream. Okay, welcome to my stream, brother. How are you? Shubhadeep. Hello, Shubhadeep. Welcome to my stream. Shubhadeep, from today, I have started building my own SaaS. This is the day one, and close this, and here in the databases, we'll create a new database. Create database appointment booking SaaS. Appointment booking SaaS. We created this appointment booking SaaS. All right, and from this is what we get. And all right, so first I'll go to here. I'll create a .env. We have .env here. We have .env. Okay, I'll also create a .env.example. .env.sample. .env.sample is fine. Okay, this is my .env database URL. All right. Okay. We can just remove all of this, not required. And here in my database schema, if I come here, what SaaS will you make today? Shubhadeep, I'm building an appointment booking SaaS. Code World can show the working demo of the project. Actually, I'm building the project right now. Niranjan Kumar, sometimes voice breaks. Guys, do let me know if my voice is breaking or if everything is fine. Do let me know. Just a sec, I'll check the stream health. Okay, fine. Stream health looks fine. All right. There we go. Where was it? Appointment booking SaaS. There we go here, and I was here. Just a sec. What was my database URL? I need to get the database URL. From where can I get it? If I go to my Burn project, chat app project, Node.js agent, backend, and in my .env, .env.sample, VS Code, just once, .sample, yeah, copy this thing, database URL and port. Copy these two things, actually these three things here. Copy these three things, and if I come here, paste it and paste it here also, and I need these things. All right, okay, let's add, no, okay, fine, let's add this thing as well in my RDNB, and here also we'll have this. Now I can close this, and here inside .env it will be appointment booking SaaS. No, appointment booking SaaS. You're trying the same thing. Okay, which SaaS is it? Hello Basha, welcome to my stream. It's an appointment booking SaaS. Uh, Prajwal Kumar. Hello Prajwal, welcome to my stream. What you're building now? I'm building my own SaaS. Use NeoVim, sir. Actually, NeoVim, I don't know how to use it, and I'm not in the mood to learn any new syntax just for using an IDE right now. What? Okay. Ibrahim, help me solve this. I need 300 people in a meeting. One way, like only one person can share this screen. The quality is 720 to 30. Okay. On. Okay, fine. How do I make it so that VPS don't crash? Clouds not. Open bean issue. Second, I have transcode as container. Okay, Ibrahim. I have to think about it. Use symbol extension for file icon. Use symbol. Okay, fine. Hello, Code World. Welcome to my stream. Supreme DS. Yo, bro. What's up? Hello, Supreme DS. Welcome to my stream. How are you? So I don't want to cloud to entire horizontal scaling. We'll do vertical scaling basically. Now the question: how do I run it on a 16 TB bandwidth? 16 terabyte of bandwidth. Okay. RS Deepak. हेलो ब्रो, आज जल्दी आ गए. हाँ RS दीपक आज जल्दी स्टार्ट कर दिया. Hello Sujal, gamer, welcome. Bro, why not use, you are using Supabase? Same, in my country Supabase is banned. Supreme. If you are using Kiro, it will give you free access to Sonnet 4.5. Okay, got it. Supreme. I'll check it out. Warike, what is the plan? What type of SaaS it will be? Looks interesting. It's a basically an appointment booking SaaS, and this is the basic structure that I am trying to build. Hold on. If yeah, this is the basic structure that I am trying to build. So yeah. Now just a sec. What was it doing? Yeah, this is done, and I'll copy the same thing. Appointment booking SaaS, and I'll paste it here also. Appointment booking SaaS, and in this appointment booking SaaS. Okay, this is done. This is done. This is done. All right. गम्बॉल हेलो जी. अपन आपने अपना SaaS स्टार्ट कर दिया? हाँ गम्बॉल, आज से SaaS स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. Code with DN, I am back. Hello Code with DN, welcome to my stream. What is the Superbase king of every one of these days? I have no idea. Basha, which country are you streaming from? Basha, I'm streaming from India. Coder World. Use NeonDB if Superbase is banned. See, NeonDB I'll use it just before production. In development mode, I'll use my own PG admin. Hey crazy, yo mate. Hello, hey crazy. Hello, hey Orca. Okay. Hello, hey Orca. Welcome to my stream. How are you? He's from India, the greatest country on earth. Okay. Gumball 69. वो AI वाला कंप्लीट कर दिया क्या इतनी जल्दी? हाँ AI का वो AI नोट मेकर हो गया है. You can get the code in the GitHub repository. Fine. Okay. So this is done, and now this is also done. Okay. So I'll go to my GitHub. This is done, and first I need the Prisma config.ts. URL process.env database URL define config. Okay, import. Okay, fine. Not like this. Import dot env from dot env dot env. Just I'll make the size a bit bigger. Dot env from dot env, and after this dot env dot config path, we got this. And all of the things are same. Config has been defined, and Prisma schema dot Prisma schema dot Prisma client JS src. Hold on. Okay, this is also done. And just a sec, in my package.json I will get these scripts, index.ts, build, node, db migrate and generate. I'll come to my package.json, and here scripts, I'll come here and I'll these things, and I can just remove this. Fine, this is also done. अभय for sure. Hello अभय, welcome to my stream. कुछ टिप्स दे दो, इतनी जल्दी कैसे कर लेते हो? बेसिकली ज़्यादा टाइम मेरे को प्रोजेक्ट के इनिशियलाइजेशन में एंड प्रोजेक्ट के स्ट्रक्चर डिफाइन करने में होता है, और एक बार प्रोजेक्ट का स्ट्रक्चर हो गया फिर कोड करने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. सी, कोडिंग इज़ जस्ट अ टूल, बट द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज हाउ टू थिंक लाइक एन इंजीनियर. दैट्स द स्किल दैट वी ऑल शुड लर्न. Suraj, your supervisor is not banned in India. Like, we are not able to access. I think I don't know. I'm not sure. Supreme DS, bro, is completing projects like Iran deploying missiles across the Middle East. Great, Supreme DS. Navneet, hello Navneet, welcome to my stream, bro. I'm shortlisting in interviews but not performing well in interviews. Can you give me any suggestions? Navneet, I think see, everyone is different, right? So I need to understand your skills, your weaknesses and your strength. So you can DM me on Instagram, we can get on a call. It's a paid call. But there in that meeting, I'll understand your skills, your strengths and weaknesses, and then I will understand what your goals are, and then I can give you a dedicated action plan that you can follow in next few months, and then you can crack the interviews. Supreme DS, I forgot to ask previously, are you married or bachelor? I'm bachelor, Supreme DS, I'm not married. Thorfinn, hello Thorfinn, welcome to my stream. भाई Claude 4.6 Opus के बारे में कुछ शब्द. Claude 4.6 is the GOAT when it comes to AI coding. It's the GOAT in my opinion. Maybe in future something new or better will come, but right now Claude 4.6 Opus is too good. Code world. गम्बॉल, भाई डिस्कॉर्ड का क्या सीन है? गम्बॉल, डिस्कॉर्ड का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. आज ही मैंने डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर बनाया है. डिस्क्रिप्शन में विल गेट दी डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर लिंक. कोड वर्ल्ड, ब्रो, did you never used convex db, and by the way you code front end with AI like Claude Code or build front end from scratch? I use AI in front end. Claude Opus is the ultimate goat, I agree. Okay, so this is also done, and now we'll create the schemas, the most important thing. Actually creating the schema is the most important thing and the most complex thing. So what schemas are we creating? Model user has an ID, name, email, password, hash, role. Okay, got it. Organizations created and deleted. Okay, and enum user role. Got it. So basically, according to this, we have this is my user. We have a user table here, right? We have a user table, and in the user table, I have the ID. I have ID. अरे यार, I have ID. Just a sec. यहीं पे लिख लेते हैं. ID. Okay, hold on. I have ID. I have name. I have email. I have password, hash. Then I have also role. Hold on, and I'll come here, and then we have role and created at, updated at. We have created at organizations. This is also very important. Organizations. Created at, updated at. Created at, updated at, all is there. Fine. And we have a role. Okay, fine. This is good enough for now. I can put it like this. Fine. We have a user table, and then I have organizations. गम्बॉल डिस्कॉर्ड ज्वाइन कर लिया. अब क्या करना है? सीखो, स्किल सीखो, डिस्कॉर्ड का यूज़ करो, नेटवर्क ग्रो करो अपना, एंड रिसोर्स शेयर करो. दैट्स इट. Navneet, how much it costs to get a call with you? Navneet, you can DM me on Instagram. You can get the Instagram link in the description of the stream. There, I can tell you in detail how much it costs and how you can book a call with me. You can DM me on Instagram, Navneet. Okay, Navneen. Okay, Naveen. Okay, Naveen. You can DM me on Instagram, Naveen. अबे फॉर श्योर. स्टार्टिंग में सबसे पहले मर्न सीखा था. एक्चुअली मेरा पहला फुल स्टैक जो टेक स्टैक था वो था पाइथन, जैंगो एंड रिएक्ट. मेरा पहला टेक स्टैक जैंगो था. रेहान, hi bro, what are you starting now? Hello Rehan, welcome to my stream. Rehan, I'm today starting to build my own SaaS. Suraj, hello Suraj. Hey bro, can you give me a tip about how many hours I can do coding every day? I'm trying 8 hours, but I'm only 5 to 6 hours doing coding. See, basically, even if you are able to give 5 to 6 hours, that is very good. But the thing is that what you are doing in those 5 or 6 hours. Like, what's your goal? Why you are learning coding? If you can give me your goal, then I can tell you. Coder world. Instead of using traditional authentication, you can webhooks using Clerk, right? Yeah, we can use Clerk. Obviously, we can do that. But my question is, why to depend on a third party, right? For example, if Clerk goes down, maybe someday, then my application will suffer unnecessarily, right? So as long as I can build something in house in my application, I'll build that. But if I want something like, for example, for file storage, I have to use a third party application like Cloudinary or Amazon S3. But as long as I can build something in house for my application, then my application, the less it depends on third party, the better it is for as a business, right? Niranjan, if you like the content, like the stream, guys. Thanks, guys. Just a reminder, if you're enjoying the stream and you like this kind of stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. Rehan, which keyboard are you using? My old one broke. The name of this keyboard is Evo Fox. Niranjan, third party is equal extra cost for sure. No Clerk. Okay, yeah. Suraj, so full stack developer. Okay, Suraj. So if you are a full stack developer, then your goal should be to learn a particular tech stack, whatever tech stack you are comfortable in, maybe Spring Boot, maybe Merge Stack, or maybe Django, whatever you want, like Fast API, whatever you're comfortable in. Master, like, for understand the basics, then build projects. And when you build projects, try to build like see projects as a staircase. Like first build the easy projects, then go to complex projects. Coder full, but still Clerk gives 10,000 customers. Okay, that's great for free. That's nice, but I don't want to depend on any third party right now. So yeah. And if I am not, if we had Superbase and all, then maybe I would consider, but not right now. I'm trying to build it full stack, backend and front end on my own. So yeah. Supreme, okay sir, I have to work for my fatty stomach. Bye. See you soon, bro. Keep up the good work. Thanks, Supreme DS. Thanks for stopping by, brother. Have a good day. All right. So now we have organization. Now again we have another table as organization. 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 Okay, yeah. Here we have organization. We have organization, and their organization. We have ID, name, slug, time zone. ID, name. Okay, let's add ID, name, slug, time zone, logo URL. Okay, logo URL. We have logo URL, owner ID, then Okay, fine. Owner ID. Hold on. If I have owner id owner id, oh, these are the relations. Okay, owner id, services, bookings. Okay, owner id, I have this. Then I have services, I have bookings. Then I have availability rules. I have availability rules. Then I have Google integration. I have Google integration. Then payments. Okay, we have payments here. Payments. All right, and created at. Okay, fine. Created at. So these are the things that I have. Right. We can close it. Okay, fine. We can make it bigger, better here. Fine. We have all of this. Suraj, thank you. Welcome, Suraj. Rehan, I'm currently building a versatile type site, just front end remains. Now, just adding a chat assistant to help with deployment. Only React and static support right now. We'll try to add more. Oh, that's a very good project, Rehan. That's a very good project. Saksham, hello Saksham, welcome to my stream. Bro, I'm confused. Please help me to get me into the tech industry. I'm confused with the technology to choose or start with it. Saksham, you can book a call with me. Basically, I need to understand your skills, your strengths, your weaknesses, and everything like what your goals are. So you can book a call with me. You can DM me on Instagram. It's a paid call. If you are interested, you can DM me on Instagram and you can book a call with me. There, I can give you a guided path that you can follow. ABCD, हेलो ABCD, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. भैया, मैं अभी फुल स्टैक स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. पढ़ना क्या कोड विथ हैरी भैया का कोर्स सही है वेब डेव वाला 26 के हिसाब से, या कोई चैनल नेम बता दो, जो बेस्ट हो. ABCD, मैंने कोई कोर्स तो नहीं लिया है, बट मुझे चाय और कोड यूट्यूब चैनल काफ़ी पसंद है, वहाँ से आप सीख सकते हो. निरंजन, वॉट एवर यू लाइक डू दैट. ओके. Yeah. Okay. I don't like using third party service in my apps. I want complete control over everything. Okay. Coder word. Rehan, could you explain the project in depth? You are building like Vercel app, like providing hosting, giving domain access. 9 Games, what's up? Hello 9 Games, welcome back to my stream. Ibrahim Mohsin. Okay, basically clerk for auth, superbase for backend, neon DB for database scalability. So you're building what? Just the core functionality, and if one of those crashes, fall back. Tushar, hello Tushar, welcome to my stream. Hey man, what's up? GL for today's work. Yeah, today we are building my SaaS. I'm building my SaaS, and today is the day one. So, like, we are doing basic things today. Basha, share the chat GPT link in the panel. Yeah, I'll share that. 91 Aura, yo, what's up, gang? Hello, 91 Aura, welcome to my stream. Anukiran, hello, Anukiran, welcome to my stream. Try better T stack. All these scaffolding will be done in one command. What is better T stack? What is that? What is better T stack? Modern open source CI to rapidly scale fold stack 9 application minutes. Okay, got it. 9 Games, like what? I'm trying to build an appointment booking SaaS. So this is done. Now if I come here, okay, hold on. Now if I come here, organization, then I have services. Fine, we have another table as services. It's called services. We have this services. Fine. And here what we have: services ID, organization, title. Services, we have ID, hold on, ID, organization ID, organization ID, title, description, service type, okay. Title, description, service type, duration minutes, okay, duration minutes, price, currency. We have price, we have currency, location address, which is optional, location address, then organization, bookings, location address, organization, ID, references, okay. Then bookings, we have bookings also, services, we have bookings, and we have created at fine, okay. हर्षित, पाइथन जैंगो की डिमांड है क्या मार्केट में? हाँ, मार्केट में डिमांड तो है पाइथन जैंगो की, काफ़ी यूज़फुल है, a lot. But do you know Django? Like, no, okay. Django is little harder than Mono. See, nothing is harder. It's about Django just follows a different approach. It has batteries included. Like in Django is very powerful actually. Rehan, use logs with GitHub, selects the repo. We create our project and add it to, okay. GS, hello GS, welcome to my stream. आज फर्स्ट टाइम टाइपस्क्रिप्ट बैकएंड में सेटअप करने में 1 घंटे लग गया. ओ GS, ओके. थॉर, गॉट गो मैन, कल एग्जाम है. ओके थॉर, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर एग्जाम. Niranjan, I have a friend who was like good at animation, but because of family pressure, he chose it. But he was IT, but he was able to held IT. Now last year he left the job and now he's looking for animator job as no family pressure. Okay, that's nice. Any failure point? Okay. Loki, what about blockchain? I have no idea about blockchain. Like, I know the basic theoretical stuff, but I never worked with any practical project in blockchain. Ibrahim, true, Django is very powerful, yeah. Swamim Dubey, hello Swamim, welcome to my stream. Ibrahim, put this in your mind. Python is legendary, and Abhishek will agree. Yeah, Python is a legendary language. I do agree. Like the versatility of Python is unmatched. You can use it anywhere. And with if you are into full stack development, tech stacks like frameworks like Django can make it very. Basically, Instagram and Pinterest, their backend is built using Django, and also Spotify. I think they use Django in the backend. Barun, Express is like fast API. Nest, Django have set of rules and styles. Yeah. Tushar, VW for fast prototyping and database, indeed Python. Okay. I'm confused not about app or web dev. Any suggestions or roadmap? Shrikant, it depends on. See, app development has a lot of demand, but the thing is, app development is expensive when it comes to resources. Basically, you cannot just build app and publish it on Play Store easily. You have to pay a certain amount of fee, even in Play Store or App Store. So, if you have resources, you can go with app development. But if you want something easy to start, you can go with web dev. Loki, Python full stack or Merge stack? See, I worked with both. Python is good if you're building, like if you have you have a team, like if you have 2 or 3 people working together on a project, then Django is really good, and it's one of my favorite frameworks because I started my career with Django, so that's why I love Django. But as a solo dev, Merge stack gives you an advantage because it's very easy to set up. And there we go, services, fine, and then availability rules. Then we have another thing as availability rules. Availability rules. So we add this here. Availability rules. We have this. availability rules. And what we have, ID, organization, day of week, start time, end time, organization. Okay. So we have ID, organization. We have ID, organization, then day of week, something day of week. We have day of week, start time, end time. Then we have start time, end time, start time, end time. Okay. Day of week, int. Okay. Then we have bookings. This can be a bit smaller, let's not give it too much space. Then we have another as bookings. We have bookings here. If I come here, we have where. Why is it taking this much space unnecessarily? Can I just press Alt? Why is it getting smaller like this? Hold on. Okay, I think I can fix it. Yeah, now it is fixed. Now if I bring it here, yeah, okay, this is done. Now if I put here booking, what is it, booking. Now we have booking table here. We have the booking table here. Loki, Ibrahim, for me it depends on the application that we're building. Okay, Varun, what about Go? I have never worked with Go, so I have no idea about it. GS, what tech stack are you going to use for your SaaS? I'll be using Stack, Postgres, Express, React, Postgres, Express, Next.js for frontend, basically React and Node. Booking, we have ID, organization, service. ID, organization, service. Fine, okay. Payments, Google integration, Google email, access token, organization. Okay, Google integration, fine. Booking logs, important for SaaS. Prevent double locking when two users try the same slot. Okay, fine. Final database relationship. Okay. Important for SaaS. Got it. Payment. Bookings. Fine. Okay. So in booking we have what we have in booking. ID. We have ID. We have in booking we have ID. Then we have organization ID. Organization ID. We have service ID. We have service ID. Customer name, email, phone. Customer email, name, phone. Customer email, customer phone, then name, email, and name also. Okay. Customer name, email, phone. We got all of these details in bookings. Hold on. Now we have start time, end time. Start time, end time. Okay. Start time, end time, meeting link, which is optional. And here I think organization, services, location address optional. Meeting link is optional here. And after meeting link we have status. After meeting link we have status. Okay. Payment, we have payment as well. Payment, and here I'll have status payment created at okay, fine. This is done. Index is critical, make slot queries very fast. Then we have payments table. Fine, okay. Pornigress, yeah. Can you suggest any SaaS project that me and my team can build? Basically, we are a team of 4. So I mean, basically, I was doing in my last team, if you saw, I was doing market research. Then I came up with this idea. So maybe you can do market research to understand what you need to build. Coder world. It's not about language. It's about how we using it. If we take Rust, in it's been used in blockchain system level, and C++ for game engines, and Python for machine learning. Okay. Ibrahim Motion, if speed, real time hooks, use MERN, you want AI complex things, Python stack. If you need the very basic, redesign C++, Rust. Okay, exactly what I said. Okay, done. All these tables are schemas. Does all these tables are schema? Yeah, these are schemas. Prisma models. Yeah. Basha, thank you, Coder World. Okay, welcome. Coder World, see, welcome. Booking is done. Now we have another table as. See, this will take time because this is the core of my app. Now we are understanding the structure, then we are trying to create relationships, and then if it needs any more improvement, we'll improve it. Booking, then we'll have payments, payment table. We have a payment table also. Payment ID, booking ID. Okay, we have ID, we have booking id, we have organize, or then we have here what we have, then organization id, amount, currency. We have amount, we have currency, then status, then we have status, then we have provider, then we have provider id, provider payment id, provider payment id, then booking. Okay, fine, this is not required. This is created at. We have created at here. We have created at here. Fine. Okay, this is done. Then Google integration. Then we have another table as Google integration. We can add it here. Another table as Google integration table to Google integration, and then we can have Expros gamers. Hello, are you big, bro? Expros gamers, what are you asking, bro? Niranjan just replied. Okay, Basha, how do find relation between these models? Basically, we'll be using the concept of foreign keys. Okay, so we have this Google integration ID organization Google email, ID organization Google email. Fine, we have ID organization Google email. Okay, fine. Where is it? Here. ID organization ID organization ID Google email. ID, we have Google email, then we have access token, we have refresh token, we have expiry date, organization created at, and then we have created at. Okay, so this can be small. Then booking logs, prevent double booking when two users try the same slot. Okay, this is important. Then we have booking logs. Here I can implement booking logs, I think. Yeah, it will be here, booking logs. Yeah, booking logs here. Hanging far. Um, Thug Hunter. Where are you currently working? Thug Hunter, I'm not working anywhere. I'm trying to build my own SaaS. Niranjan, home. Okay. I have not retired. Basically, I left my job. Now I'm trying to build my own startup and SaaS. State like what are you asking? Booking logs. So here we have in the booking logs we have ID, we have ID, then service ID, we have ID. Okay, fine. We have ID. Okay, oh, wait. ID, service ID, start time, end time, ID, service ID, start time, end time. Okay, service ID. Then we have start time, end time, then expires at. Okay, this is done. Log in for 5 minutes. If payment not complete, log expires. Okay, got it. A final database relationship, critical production practices, default as you avoid auto increment, better for distributed systems. UUID, okay, fine. Default UUID, got it. All right, and let's understand the relationships. Now we'll understand the relationship. So for this, we can use this color. So ID, name, yeah, organization. So here basically where is it, this organization will be related to this ID, so this organization will be related to this ID here. Fine. Okay, this is done. Then here in my organizations table, ID, name, okay, fine. Owner owner will be related to user. Okay, fine, just a sec. Now my, where is it, yep, this. So now my owner ID is related to the user. So owner ID is related to user. Select this here. ID. We have this ID. Solid state. That's called retirement matcha. Okay. Coder world state in India. Okay. Ibrahim Mohsin. This is going to be very complex, Abhishek. A lot of failure points. Yeah. Um, Obviously, we'll get a lot of errors, a lot of failures. According to that, we have to adapt and make changes. When I'm Scoder, what now, bro? When I'm Scoder, I'm trying to build a SaaS today. Basically, from this series, I'm trying to build a SaaS. And just a reminder, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing. Lokesh B, hi, bro. Guess what? What, Lokesh? Matcha gave me so much Kannada video. Okay, unknown. What are you building? Hello, unknown. Welcome to my stream. I'm trying to build my own SaaS, which is appointment booking SaaS. This is done. This is done. Organizations are done. Hold on. And now we have time zone. Anything else? Okay, fine. Now let's do one thing. Now let's take another color. So services is going to be related. Okay, hold on, wait. This thing, just a sec. Stroke color here. This one. Okay. So services is going to be related to the ID. This one. Services. Then bookings. Then here bookings. Okay, fine. Here I can change the color. Not this one. This one and this one. And this. Yeah. Okay, fine. This color is fine. And for bookings is going to be related to the bookings. Mm-hmm. Bookings, it will be, hold on, okay, fine. Bookings, where is booking related to booking here. Hold on, I think I messed up. Here it should be services, in services, array, array, then services, all of this, okay. Here also, and availability rules also an array, availability rules, and payments also it's an array. Fine. So now if I come here and if I go to my services, is related to this model. Fine. And bookings, for bookings it will be related to this model. Booking is related to this. Then availability rules, where's availability rules related to this. Then payments related to this table, right? This is what we are getting. Fine. And then after this, what is happening? Payments, this is happening, okay. And then services organization ID, okay. And in services, the services we have the services organization ID, okay. So there we have this organization going to be related to this ID. Fine. Ashu's crazy. What is SaaS? Any real world example? Google Meet is a SaaS. Calendly, if you have used, it's a SaaS. All right, guys. I hope you're enjoying it. Okay. PHB, I met actor Nani today. Okay. Eri, can you play different tricks, please? Thank you. What is different tricks, Eris? What course have you studied in college? Sad nap. Hello, sad nap. I have completed my BTech in information technology. Basically, engineering I have done. Basha, can't you generate meeting relation matching in ChatGPT? Yes, see, we can actually here. ChatGPT has created the relation, but just for this, this actually makes the understanding very clear, so that later on we can just see it and we can understand. Okay, this is the relationship, right? So this is very important. This is called ER diagram. No one drive. Okay, 9 games. Okay, good. Bye guys. I have internet tomorrow. By the way, streams is chill though. See you soon. Coda World, thanks for joining, brother, and I hope you enjoyed it. All the best for your exam. Ashu's crazy. Okay, bye. Okay, fine then. Hi, bro. How are you? Okay, I'm currently learning APIs. I have learned request modules. I'm going to get data and convert it into Python dictionary. Okay, that's nice. Aris, hi. Can you play? Okay, I'm Lokesh B. Good, bro. How you doing? Ranjan, like the stream, guys. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying it, do consider liking and subscribing to the stream. Lokesh B, good, bro. You're from Karnataka. Did already. Okay, thanks. 9 games. I studied in Bangalore so much that is common term for me. Okay. Yashraj, hello Yashraj. Welcome to my stream. Attendance marked. How are matching those relationship explained? Basically, it's called foreign key concept. If you understand, if basically here if you see, organization and services are related to each other. Here, services is appointing this storing the organization ID. Basically, a service will belong to an organization, right? Like if a service is created, who is creating this service? An organization. So inside the service table, I'm getting this organization ID, and this is pointing to this organization table. That's the basic crisp of it. Fine, this is done. Services, what else? Organization title, description, this is done. Location, address, organization. Fine. Organization. Okay. Bookings here. We have bookings here, and it's an array. This is an array, and I can remove this unnecessary space. Anything else? Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Here. Come here. Come back here. Okay. Fine. And we can just not this. We can just reduce the size. But yeah. Fine. Bookings, and then we have this bookings, right? So booking is going here, and again I can take this, and this booking is going to be here. This booking is going to be here, right? This is done. This booking is here and created at, okay, fine. And availability rules. This is my, where's my availability rule? Yeah, this is my availability rule. ID, organization ID, right? So here we have this, just a second, availability organization ID. Okay, this will be organization ID. This will be organization ID, and here we can remove this unnecessary space, and this organization ID is going to be pointed to here, not this color, wait, this one. This organization ID will be pointing to this ID, right? Fine, this is done. Organization ID, then day of week int. Okay, fine. Day of week int, start time organization. Okay, fine, this is done. Then bookings ID, organization ID, and I have bookings ID or same thing. So booking is going to be pointing to this organization ID, right? Fine. Service ID, then service ID, we have this service ID, we have this service ID, and customer name, even fine. Started meeting log. Okay, meeting log, meeting link. Okay, status, booking status. Okay, fine. Organizer, payment. Okay, payment, fine. And here in this case, payment. So for payment, what are we using? Orange. So this payment is going to be linked here, payment, and this is single, no array. Okay, fine. Anything else? Or service, this is done. Then for my payment, I have booking ID. Okay, fine. Here we have booking ID. In my payment, I have booking ID, and booking ID is going to point to booking, right? So this one will be pointing here, this one will be pointing here, fine. Organization ID, and then we have the organization ID. This is the organization ID, done. Okay, amount, currency, status, provider and payment. Okay, fine. Booking. Okay, fine. So this is done. Payment is done. Then after this we have Google integration. We have this Google integration. What is happening? ID. I have this ID here. This ID is going to be linked to, okay, fine, organization ID. We have this organization ID, and again this organization ID is going to be linked here. Fine, got it. This is done. Organization ID, Google email, fine. Organization, okay, done. Then booking logs. Here we have ID, service ID, got it. So we have this service ID here. We have this service ID here. Fine, we have the service ID and time service ID, got it. Okay, fine. Then critical production grade practices. Okay, fine. Backend folder structure. All right, guys. So first, this is a very good folder structure, I must say. So we can go to src, create the folder structure, controllers. Then we have services. src, we have services. Then we have routes. We have middlewares. Then we have validations. Then we have Prisma client.ts. Okay, utils. We also have utils, and then we have Prisma. Not this. Don't read this. Okay, fine. Let it be like this. Utils. Recommended order, step of order. Okay, fine. Do not build everything step order. This is also important. This is also important. Add this. Um, development flow. Development flow. Okay, fine. Development flow will be following this. Make this bold. Fine. This is the development flow. Honest and advice. The hard charge will not be payments or all. The slot generation, time zone correctness, double booking prevention. Most developers underestimate this. Okay. Now let's get started. So now if I go to my code, this is my Postgres Prisma dot schema dot Prisma, and my Prisma config. No, not here. Prisma config. Prisma schema dot Prisma. Okay, fine. So first I'll create this. Where is my GitHub? So we have this src utils. I'll create another one as lib. This is done. Schema dot Prisma model user. You go. Here we have model user ID. Okay. 60 watching. Tell me, guys, which state are you guys from? Not talking about solid liquid gas. Okay. I'm new to coding. From where can I start? Hello DXR. If you're new to coding, I will suggest you to start with learning a programming language. You can start with learning JavaScript, Python, or Java. Choose one, and go and give your time to that language. Lining games. ER diagram looks more like match the following. It's actually understanding the flow. Here, if you see, we from here we can understand the references and the foreign key concepts. Okay, there we go. And Niranjan, you just said bye and you back. Okay, Maharashtra. Okay, Lokesh, bro, when you become famous, remember me in the future. I want to flex saying I know Abhishek, bro. Okay, thanks, Lokesh. Thanks a lot, man. Foreign key sounds like SQL thing, Captain. Yeah, foreign key is an SQL thing. Basically, foreign key is what is a key in a particular database that points to another database, another table. I mean, basically, for example, if a user and there's a course, right? So here we have in user we have an ID that is a primary key, and inside the course we have ID, and then we can add user ID. Then this user ID will point to the ID of the user table. That's basically foreign key concept. Bengali. I'm a Bengali from Bengal, Kolkata. Oh, that's nice. I'm also from Kolkata. I was saying to that guy, okay, hey bro, I'm going to buy a laptop tomorrow. Suggestions. Get at least 8 GB RAM if you are a beginner. Niranjan, nice to meet you guys. Okay, if you guy love vibe coding, once check this channel. Okay, BridgeMind. Yeah, I know this channel. I also watch the live stream of this channel, BridgeMind. Although it's just to chat. Okay. Guys, by the way, Discord server is available. The link is in the description of the stream. If you want to check it out, you can check. Okay, Basha, where can I master these ER diagrams relation between models? You can watch this. There's a YouTube channel called Gate Smashers. They teach SQL really well. And guys, just a reminder, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing. Bro, would you help me with something? I'm facing issue with my Kimi AI. I'm a professional website for football teams, and now I want to add some things on my website, but I tell Kimi about it. When I tell Kimi, okay, Blacks, right now, maybe you can, the context of that AI is full. Maybe that's why getting the error. Don't buy it now. Wait for a few days. RAM prices will fall. Okay, yeah, true. 9 games. Name one for the object-oriented programming. For object-oriented programming, there's this YouTube channel called Telusco. That's nice. Okay, Lokesh. Okay. What is meant for ops? Oops is basically object-oriented programming. Okay. Like the stream, guys, if you like the content. Yeah, guys, like and subscribe. Means okay. Akash, I can't wait. I came to India yesterday for this. Can you suggest what kind of specs I need, especially for full stack developer and projects like SaaS? See, if you want to be comfortable, go for 16 GB RAM. But if you want like 8 GB RAM is also fine. But the 16 GB RAM, you will not get any lags. Like not even if you run Android Studio. Okay. Can we call OpenAI API so that data we get in JSON? Yeah, we can do that. अमन कोहली किस टाइप का SaaS बना रहे हो भाई? Can you explain? I'm trying to build an appointment booking SaaS. Basically, for business and customers, they can manage the appointments. They can get the Google link meeting in the email, and if it's an offline appointment, they can get the details and also manage the payment. Don't you use anti-gravity or cursor? Actually, I use cursor just for experimental purposes. But when it comes to deploying the production grade code, I try to do it myself, and I take AI as a debugger help. I'm mostly people coming to India to buy laptop. अच्छे दिन. I don't know much about laptop hardware. Ask Abhishek. Okay. Srujan. Yeah, Srujan. I do use AI, but only for debugging. I don't use anti-gravity or cursor. I use cursor for only just to get a basic understanding, like building a small prototype or all those things. Depends on your budget. Okay. Swami, bye bye. Bye Swami. Thanks for joining. Came from Nepal. Oh, nice Akash. Don't you use? Okay, fine. Sarcasm, bro. Sarcasm. Okay. I know. The cream one. The cream one. Bangladesh. Hello, the cream one. Welcome to my stream. Assam. Oh, that's nice. Shubham, welcome to my stream, brother. Bro, why, bro? You have choose Prisma instead of MongoDB. Basically, I wanted acid conditions, basically atomicity, consistency, and all of this. Basically, I want transactions. Basically, payments are also here, right? So I want atomicity in my database. That's why I'm going with Postgres. Draw Basic. Hello, Draw Basic. Welcome to my stream. Going good, brother. Can I join? Actually, Draw Basics. This SaaS, I'm trying to build it alone as a solo developer. Maybe later on in the future, if I want to build something, and if I even if for this project, if I want to, in expand the SaaS, then maybe I want more developers. Then you can join. Kimi AI, please. Okay, I'll use Kimi AI maybe in future. He likes VS Code. It's his choice. Cursor is basically VS Code fork only. Yeah, true. Sigma Man. Hello, Sigma Man. Welcome to my stream. Gaurav, what are you building, bro? Gaurav, I'm trying to build an SaaS appointment booking SaaS. क्लॉड एआई कब बनाओगे और क्लॉड एआई कब बनाओगे क्लॉड एआई मैं बनाऊंगा ओके फ्यूचर में शायद बनाऊंगा हेलो हेलो जोकर फिनिक्स वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम ऑलराइट गाइस नाउ लेट्स गेट बैक आई रीड द चैट्स a bit later. The cream one broski I made Python tool. I downloads the 120 GB, use it 8 GB RAM only, but full param. Now I scared, dude. This thing have 60 token per second. Okay, okay, that's actually a very good project. Code World. Bro, new project started. Yes, Madhav. Today, welcome to my stream. We are building an AI, not AI, basically, building normal SaaS appointment booking SaaS, basically. Okay. So what we have here, we have ID, ID, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ID, which is of type string, and it's of 1, 2, 3, 4. कितना gap लिया? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this much is fine. This is of type ID, right? And here we have default as UUID. Fine, we have this default as UUID and name string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. String, okay, no value, email, string, and email has to be unique. Yep. Unique email will be unique, right? And then password hash and role. password hash string. Then we have here role. We have role, basically user role, and by default it will be of type owner, right? And then organizations, and here we'll have organization array. Then we have created at will be of type date time, and it will be by default will be now, right? And then we have updated at we have date time, and it will be at the rate updated at. And this is done. Now we can create an enum. Okay, let's create an enum for user role. Fine, we have this enum, and in this enum we'll have owner, we have admin, we have staff. Fine, this is done. So user schema is done. Then organization, basically ID, name, slug. Slug is important. Okay, model organization, ID, name, slug, time zone. Okay, fine. We have model organization, model organization. We have this ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 string. Yes, then here we have ID, and at the rate default will be UUID. Fine. Then we have name, organization will have a name, string, we have string. All right, we have string, and in string name can be okay, fine. Then we have slug string, and it has to be unique. We have unique. Slug is done. Then after this we have time zone string, and yep, we have this. Then we have logo URL string, and then we have owner ID. It's related to owner ID is string only, and it will be related to the user, right? And then we have owner, it is related to user, and then we define the relationship, and we define the this is how we define the relationship. We use the relation, and then we have fields, this owner ID, and we have references to ID. What this means is that for this table I'm calling it owner ID, and for this particular table I'm calling it ID. So it means that this owner ID is referring to the ID of this particular table. Alright, so this is done, owner is done. Then we have services. We have services which will be of array of service. We have service. Then we have bookings. Then we have bookings here. We have bookings. Then we have availability rules, availability rules, and here we have availability rule. We have this. Then Google integration, integration. We have Google integration, and here we have Google integration integration, Google integration, this, right? We have this. All right, so we have Google integration, then we have payments, right? Then we have payment, then we have created at date time, and it will be default now. Done. Okay, this is done. Then we create another model as service. We have another model as service, which will have an ID, and it will be of type string. Then it will have type ID. It will have great default UUID. This is done. Then we have organization ID. Organization ID. We have this organization ID of type string. Organization ID. Then we have title of type string. Description of type string. Description. Then service type. Then we have service type of type string. Then we have Deepak Joshi. Bro, what are you creating? Deepak, I'm creating a SaaS and appointment booking SaaS. All the best for your SaaS. Thanks, Joker Phoenix. Niranjan, what we used to do in college, try to find different college SIC, then try to get access to ERP, just sucks. Then use those to get access to email and then use them in GitHub Copilot for free. Oh, that's nice. Srinath. Hello, Srinath. Welcome to my stream. Hi, bro. I'm third year intern here working with 12 days at a startup. Learned a lot, but now feel burnt out and not improving. How do you know when it's time to leave and focus on your own growth? 12 days as an third year, 12 days. Basically, startups will teach you a lot and it will take a lot of your time, but it's worth it, because in startups you actually learn how to build a company, right? And maybe you can learn how to switch maybe in 1 or 2 years. Akash, what's your laptop specs? Akash, my laptop has 16 GB RAM, 500 GB SSD. What else? Core i5, Intel Core i5, Intel Iris Xe. Suraj, what are you building? I'm building my own SaaS. Like the stream, guys. Yeah, guys, like and subscribe to the stream if you're enjoying it. Lokesh, so 80 watching, bro. Damn, growth. Hope he's grow more. Thanks, Lokesh. Thanks a lot. Harsh, hello Harsh. Welcome to my stream. Funny, are you using mod? I'm not using mod. I'm using Pern. Basically, I've replaced MongoDB with PostgreSQL. So yeah, people who sees AI writing code goes crazy. I can do better than the AI in VS Code. Code editors make no difference. Okay. Whatever. I just came today and got 100 XP. Damn. Okay. I feel MacBook Air Pro 16 GB RAM is best. Yeah, for coding, Mac has the best experience when it comes to coding. Shivam. Hello Shivam, welcome to my stream. Bro, I'm a 245th subscriber. Congratulations for the quick success. Oh, thank you Shivam. Thanks a lot for subscribing and joining the stream, man. Thanks a lot for the support. Basha, what is your view on Shadian's coding school? Yeah, I like their Mern Stack video. It's nice. Any Flutter internship you have? Not right now, Aman. And thanks for joining the stream. Stack Solve. Bro, I'm first year student but unable to pay a big amount for APIs. There any way? What APIs do you want to use? Coder World. Okay. Priyanshu Mehla. Hello Priyanshu, welcome to my stream. Which role in tech is most payable? I don't even think about role with respect to money. Because now trends are here, then AI is growing, so AI engineers are getting paid a lot. Later on, when trend changes, someone else will get paid a lot, right? Mahesh. Hello Mahesh, welcome to my stream. Bro, how is Complete Coding by Prashant Sir channel? I have no idea, I have not seen that channel. Lightning Games, do not spam by. Okay, Lokesh. Mahesh bro, don't spam. Yeah. My Claude Code F. Okay. Earth player. Welcome to my stream. Hi. What have you built in? I'm building an AI. Not AI. Why am I adding AI? Like इतना आजकल AI SaaS चल रहा है ना तो बोलने के पहले AI मुंह से निकल जाता है. It's not an AI SaaS. It's a simple appointment booking SaaS that I'm trying to build. Nitro. Why don't you use Bun plus Elysia.js and with TypeScript much better for building such apps? Plus, it's convenient, provides client to use in front-end apps as well. Okay, I'll check it out later, Nitro. Thanks for suggesting. Samrat. Hello, Samrat. Welcome to my stream. What is the real-world problem solved by your SaaS? Basically, right now, what we have is that we have appointment booking only for you have heard about currently we have appointment booking only for online services like a coaching call or anything. But what about offline services? For example, if somebody wants to book an appointment for a doctor or dentist or any physical that you need to go to physically, right? So what you can do, the business can create a slug, then the customer will go to the slug, and then they can pick the allotted slots and they can pay, and then they can go to the appointment directly, right? So it saves that time, and then also it will help offline businesses to get more audience or more customers also. So that is the thing. And if a business online, then basically if a customer pays and books the appointment, then that person will get the Google email link directly in their email, Google Gmail link, Google link, Google Meet link in their uh, email directly. So yeah. अर्थ भाई क्लॉड कोड यूज करो और सबका टाइम बचाओ. क्लॉड कोड के लिए यू नीड टू गिव $20 अ मंथ. सो बेसिकली पहले सैस बना के थोड़ा लाइक विल गेट द इनकम देन विल स्विच टू क्लॉड. वाई द गैप? ध्रुव पेड. व्हाट गैप आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट? This looking like SQL stuff. Actually, it's an ORM. It's Prisma. We are using a Prisma. It's like it lies between the uh, basically if in future if I want to change my database from Postgres to MongoDB, then it can I don't have to change anything. I just need to change the configuration. I don't need to change all of this schema.prisma file. Mini. I know React and Mongo. How much time it will take to learn Stack? If you do really well, it will take around 6 to 8 months. All right, everyone. I'll get back to coding now. Service type. We have service type here. Hold on. Services. Service type duration. Then we have Just a sec. Duration in minutes. We have int. It's an int. It's int. Then duration in minutes. Then price. Then we have price. Then we have int here. Price int. Then we have currency. We have currency, and currency can be a string, right? Then we have location address, location address, which is optional, and it's string. Hold on. What did I mess up? Okay, fine, not here. It will be here, and here it will be optional location address. Organization. We have. Okay, just a sec. Yeah. We have organization, and this will be organization table, right? And then here will be the relation. Here fields, I have, what am I calling it? Organization, I think. Organization ID, and here it will have references to organizations tables ID, right? Yep. And then we have bookings. We have bookings, and we have booking here. Fine, we have booking here. Then we have created at, and we have date time here, right? And here we'll have a default value, default as now, right? Created at is done, and I'll also create an enum of service type. It's not string, it's service type. This will be service type, and here it will be service type, enum of service type, online or offline, right? We have this. Then we'll create model, then availability rule. availability rule. We have this. Now we have availability rule. I have ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 string. Then here we have ID. Then we have default as now. No, I mean it will be UUID. Yeah, it will be UID. Then we have organization ID. Organization ID. We have organization ID. We have string here. Fine, we have string here. And then it will be day of week. Day of week will be integer. Then start time we have date time. Then we have end time, which will be date time. And then we have organization which will be organization. And we have relation as fields, and it will be related to what? ID and references. Here we're calling it organization ID, and there it will be ID. Okay, this is done. Organization is done. Fine. Availability rule, just a sec. Availability rule is done here. Then after this, what I have? Bookings. Then we have model booking, right? We have model booking here. Then here we have ID on 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, which will be of type string. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of type ID. Default default we have UUID. Then we have organization ID. Organization ID. So organization ID will be of type string. Yes. Then we have service ID of type string, right? We have service ID of type string. And then we have customer name of type string. Then customer email of type string. Hold on. Customer name, customer email. Then what else? Customer phone number. Customer phone of type string, and it's optional. Then we have start time, date time, end time, date time, meeting link, we have meeting link as string here. What is this? Spawn pet. Okay, why am I spawning the pet unnecessarily? Okay, so we have meeting link here. Then status, booking status as booking status. Organization, then we have organization relation fields, organization ID, references to ID. Fine. Then service, this part, service, we have service here. Hold on, just a sec. Service, where is it? Service. Yep, we have service here, and here we have service here, and here I'll have at the rate relation. I have fields, and here we have service ID, and here we'll have references at ID, right? Yes. Then we have payment payment question mark. All right, then we have created at of type date time. Right, we have this. Then we have default as now. Yes, we have this created at, and we'll be using indexing. Index here we have service ID and organization ID. I think start time. Start time. We have this. Then we'll create an enum booking status. Booking status. I think yes. Status. We have this enum booking status. It's pending, confirmed, cancelled, and completed. We have this. Fine, and payments. Then we need booking status, and then we'll have another model as model payment. We have this model payment here. Coding. Nitro here is using client server architecture, so instead of using serverless, he's using a traditional server client setup. Okay, I never talked about serverless. Okay, Mahesh, I have no idea about Prashant sir channel. I simply asked why not use. Okay, especially as a solo dev. Okay, are you using Postgres or MongoDB? Oh no, my code, I'm using Postgres. Lokesh, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Join Discord link in the description. Thank you, Lokesh. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider liking this stream and subscribing to the stream, and also join the Discord server. Its link is in the description. Nishant, what is Prisma? Prisma is an ORM, which stands for Object Relational Mapping. Nitro. Okay. Ibrahim. Just install Codex extension from the extension section. Nothing more powerful. Okay. Abhishek, one request. Pin the Discord link in the pinned comment. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Maybe I can do this. Where is it? I'll go to stream settings. Edit. I will come to here and Discord server link. Copy this. And then in the chat I will add this, then here copy and replace print chat. Fine, this is done. Now we have here. Okay, even Opus 4.6 compared to Codex. Try it in VS Code only. Okay, okay. Bro, what is SaaS? Chandan Sarkar, SaaS stands for software as a service. Basically, you build a software and then people pay you on a subscription basis to use the software. Basically, Netflix is a SaaS. Niranjan, don't spam search on Google, baby. Okay. SaaS is software as a system. Software as a service, actually. Chandan, bro, what is SaaS? Okay. Don't be stupid. Okay. Chandan, Google Meet, Google Drive, OneDrive. Okay. Gaurav, but I want to learn N10 and Notion. Could you please give me some advice? Or see, I have not worked with N10. Notion is very easy. Notion is just like text editor. Is anti-gravity bad? I have not tried anti-gravity yet. What is the topic of the project? Hi, D5 N8P. The topic of the project is SaaS. I'm trying to build an appointment booking SaaS. No, it's good. Okay. Shivam Gupta. I created an offline message CLI tool. It's NPM. Okay, that's nice. Bro, what is it? Bro, which year student do you like us knowing about yourself? I have completed my BTech, AR69. I've completed my BTech, and I used to work in a company, but I left my job. My goal is to build my own SaaS and start my own startup. Krishna, hello, bhai. Hello, Krishna. Welcome to my stream. You get free APIs there, okay? Rapid API, okay? Why not try vibe coding? Basically, I don't want to vibe code because it's a very complicated SaaS, I think. And see, I'm using AI to give me the path, and I'm trying to implement it on my own because I want to understand the code and implement it. So yeah, Air, tell us about yourself. Air, my name is Abhishek Sharma. I'm 25 years old. I've completed my BTech in the year 2023, and I have worked. I do have 1 year of experience where I worked in an MNC, but I wanted to build my own SaaS, and time is is the most important asset that I have. So that's why I left my job. Now I do freelancing, and along with it, I'm trying to build my own SaaS. SaaS stands for Software as a Service. यूट्यूब से कितना कमाई हुआ? यूट्यूब से कुछ कमाई नहीं होता है, मेरा चैनल पे मोनेटाइज हुआ नहीं है. हाय, I'm also building a SaaS Next.js TypeScript student for and teacher related, but most of the front end I don't write myself. I write backend myself. Is it good project practice or not? Yeah, I also write backend first, then only I create front end using AI. Hi bro, how to improve communication like you? Hello Krishna. Hello Krishna. You can improve your communication by reading books, by reading newspaper, by talking to people. Even if you are not confident, try to talk in English in front of people. That will remove that tag, that your phobia. Explain SaaS. SaaS is a business model where you create a software and people pay you for using your software. Bro, in which year you were? Here I have completed my BTech. भाई आपका गिटहब को पायलट प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन देना चाहता हूँ फ्री में, और टेस्ट क्लॉड कोड एंड जेमिनाई टॉप टियर LLM मॉडल. ओके, थैंक यू गिवर किस निरंजन. But with a lot of bugs. Yeah, true. You guys, I need to start up pen test. Thanks Abhishek for the stream. Need to get back to work. Enjoy and like the stream. Bye guys. Thanks Ibrahim Mosin. Thanks man. Thanks for joining and have a good day. Yep, GitHub Polar is free for college emails, but make sure don't start vibe coding, making understand those changes the agent makes. Okay, for UI design, how will you plan, bro? Basically for UI, first I'll complete the backend, then I'll go to UI. If backend is ready, then making UI is very easy. Lokesh, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Join Discord server, link in the description. Yeah, thanks Lokesh. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider liking and subscribing to the stream. Prajwal, bro, just copy paste. No, Prajwal, I don't want to copy paste because while I'm seeing and coding, I'm also understanding what is going on. So if there is any issue, I'll catch it at exact moment. So if I just copy paste it, I might miss the issue. भाई आपका कौन सा लैंग्वेज में कोडिंग कर रहे हो? मैं टाइपस्क्रिप्ट में कोड कर रहा हूँ भाई. कॉलेज वाले रेज्यूमे मांग रहे हैं. क्या करूँ? मैं अभी सीख रहा हूँ. आप जो भी सीख रहे हो उसको डालो, बेसिक प्रोजेक्ट बना के डिप्लॉय मार के रेज्यूमे में डाल दो. Bro, one challenge for you: code without using ChatGPT and make it in live stream. My goal is to build my own SaaS, and I want to build it as soon as possible. So I'm not here to do any challenge or anything. My here is to build my SaaS, deploy it, and make people use it. So that's what I'm concerned about. What is the language you would suggest for a beginner according to current market? Go with JavaScript or Python. Air. How to increase while being in college? Like managing time is too confused. Basically you need to manage time. Wake up on time, be disciplined enough, sleep on time, and spend time with friends, but don't waste your entire day with them. Come back to your room and start learning and building things. Rushikesh, you can also use Django REST APIs for the SaaS, right? Yeah, you can do that. If you are comfortable with Django, you can do that. सस्ता गेमिंग, और भाई क्या हाल चाल? सब बढ़िया. सस्ता गेमिंग, हाउ आर यू? Slokesh, so I made prototype with Lovable. Oh, that's nice. Bro, I make the B2B SaaS using FastAPI and React.js. It's good. Yeah, that's nice. Bro, teach Postgres with Drizzle ORM. Basically, I have not used Drizzle. I've used Drizzle, but I like Prisma more because the syntax, it's more like SQL, and like it's very easy. The syntax is quite easy. Shuck, how to get out of tutorial hell? Basically, you have to build projects on your own. You will face errors, but try to solve the errors on your own. सस्ता गेमिंग, भाई इंग्लिश तो आपकी अच्छी है. थैंक यू सस्ता गेमिंग. नाइट्रो, जस्ट बिल्ड ब्रो. ओके. शिवम गुप्ता, आई क्रिएटेड एन ऑफलाइन मैसेजिंग. ओके फाइन. लोकेश, इंस्टा में सेंड करूँ आपको प्रोटोटाइप? हाँ, यू कैन सेंड दी लिंक इन माई इंस्टाग्राम. आई चेक इट आउट आफ्टर द स्ट्रीम. Build what? I like to get confidence. See, basically, if you learn about basic web development, you can build a small to-do application with authentication. That will give you confidence. Okay, so model payment is done. There we go. Now, if I come here, model payment ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 string. Then it's an ID of type ID. Default is UUID. Default is UUID. And then we have booking ID. Booking ID of type string. Booking ID of type string. Cool. Okay, then after booking ID we have organization ID, and it is of type string organization ID. Then we have amount, which is of type int. Then we have currency of type string, right? Then we have status. We have payment status. We have payment status. Then after this we have provider. I'm a writer. I'm a writer. Provider string. Then provider payment ID. We have string here also, string question mark. Then we have booking of table booking. Okay, booking. Then we have booking. Then here we have at the rate relation. We have fields. I'm relating it with booking ID, and it references to ID. Booking ID done. Then here the organization. We have organization. We have relation. We have fields of organization ID, and we have references to ID. This is done. Organization. Then we have created at date time, and default we have now. This is done. Then we have enum payment status. What do we have? Pending success field. Pending success field and refunded. Okay, what else? We have Google integration. Model Google integration. Alright, we have model Google integration. Just a sec guys, I'll drink water. Google integration. Then we have here ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then we have this as string relation. oh, इसमें relation नहीं होगा, इसमें ID होगा. ID default UUID. Then we have ID. Then we have organization ID string. Organization ID. Okay, hold on. Organization ID. Booking ID. Okay, hold on. We missed something. Booking ID. It has to be unique. Anything else I missed? Booking status. Here we have in booking we have booking status, and by default it should be pending. By default it should be pending. Default should be pending. Okay, fine, this is done. Okay, we added this booking ID, Google integration, string, then we have at the rate unique Google email string access token string refresh token string expiry date time organization, we have organization, then we have relation fields, organization ID, references to ID, organization, then we have created at we have date time, we have by default it should be default now, then booking logs. Okay, hold on, anything wrong? Okay, no, model booking logs, we have booking logs here, booking log, then we have ID 1 2 3 4 5 ID string, then at the rate ID default now, booking log is done, then we have service ID, we have service ID here, and here we have string start time, date time, booking log, end time, date time, expires at date time. Okay, so this is done, not our time zone. Okay, fine, this is done, we have done this, services, routes. Okay, so this is done, schema.prisma is done. Okay, why am I getting this error? Bookings, I'm getting it from here. This is done, fine, so this is done. Now I need to add one more thing here. I'll add dot prettier dot rc dot prettier rc. Okay, fine, repositories prettier rc, social media chat apply, social media, and here if I come to backend prettier rc, I'll just copy this, paste it here, and then I'll have dot prettier ignore dot prettier ignore, and we have this is done, this is done, fine. Okay, so now we'll do, where's my, if I come to my database, appointment booking SaaS, schemas, do we have anything here? No tables right now. Okay, so now if I come and here if I do npm run db, basically package.json, we have npm run db migrate, npm run db migrate, okay. Now if I do npm run db generate. Fine. Now if I come here and I do refresh, yeah, all of this are done. Okay, so schemas are done. Okay, so schemas are done. Fine. Okay. Schemas are done. Phase two is done. I think phase two. Yeah, phase two is done. Okay. So phase two is done. Can I mark it as green? Phase two is done. How to change color? Is there any option of changing color? How to change color? Text color. Yeah, here. Let's make it green. Let's make it green. So phase two is done. Phase one is also done. Not just done. We are using Redux. We are using Redux here and Prisma. Okay, payment Stripe. No, it will be Razorpay. In our case, we'll be using Razorpay or Razorpay slash Stripe. We'll see. Stripe. It depends because recent SandGrid Cooler Calendar API JWT. So phase two is done. Database design is done. Now we have to implement authentication system. Okay, generate slug. All right. Okay, so where is my chat? Okay, fine. Raza Ali, best time to learn Nest.js. Okay. Yeah, yeah, even I was thinking about learning Nest.js because I've heard about it a lot. Nest.js. Steps. Fine, I'll check this out. Bootstrap, Nest.js. Shubh, look, have you published your prototype? Okay. सस्ता गेमिंग ब्रो, तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट अपना लिंक्डइन पे डाल दो, अपना नाम लिख के। मैं खुद लिंक्डइन यूज़ नहीं करता, आप चाहे तो कर सकते हो। करो भाई। Here, I'm in second year and I have made a website for a client with the help of AI and Claude. Should I learn these things like I made it on React, but in college I have selected AI/ML and I have made a website for a client with help of AI and Claude. Should I learn these things like I made it on React, but in college I have see in college I have selected AI/ML. That's fine, but you can learn these things on your own also. Web dev, if you're interested, you can learn these things on your own. Hartley, hello Hartley, welcome to my stream, bro. I'm at my fourth sem right now. I want internship. I have B2B SaaS project plus AI hiring aquaculture project that I made. I know NLP, fast even Python libraries. And should I go? Uh, what should I do? Internship. Okay. B2B. I have B2B SaaS project plus AI. I will suggest pick one thing. Like now I know NLP also okay, but I will suggest go with development because in NLP you will be able to create much complex projects in easily in development. But in NLP, if you want to build something complex, it's very difficult to showcase to people. Nitro, hey Abhishek, hey Abhishek, about the tab thing you are doing in Prisma, just write the schema as it is, and you can format data using npx Prisma for format. Okay, okay, got it. Thanks, Nitro. Thanks for suggesting. I did not know this. Thanks, man. npx Prisma format. Okay, npx Prisma format. Okay, fine. Rushikesh, tell me which tech we need to focus on Proper backend development like Django, DRF, REST API, enough. We need to go with fast API some more. If you want to go into backend more, I would suggest you go with Django REST framework and Django. And for front end, use React and build projects. After 2 days, one company is coming for online test round one hiring. Stipend 21,000 and packages 5 to 9. LPA give some tips, clear interviews. I have confidence and aptitude, and round two of DSA I will clear. Okay, so if you are able to clear DSA round and aptitude, you are done 90%. But in interviews, make sure what you have mentioned in your resume, make sure you really know about those things, because interviewer will ask from your resume. Nitro, watching streams like this gives me motivation to start working on my old abandoned projects. Oh, that's nice, Nitro. I'm glad that streams like this is helping you. Okay, what type of SaaS is this? What is the problem this SaaS solve? You are working dev or student? Hello, Asis Mohanty. This is platform booking SaaS, appointment booking SaaS. Basically, it's for online and offline businesses. This SaaS will be able to, help offline businesses get more appointment bookings, because people can come to this platform, build book and pay, make the payment, and this platform will also manage their payments. And also in online businesses, this platform will allow users basically to link their Google Meet account. Then when somebody comes to their online business, for example for a coaching call or something, they can book a meeting within a particular time slot. They can pay, and then in their email they will get the meeting link. So this is what we are building. Your audio is breaking, guys. My audio is breaking, do let me know. Yep. Bro, how many years do you study? How many years? I completed my BTech in 2023. Since then, I've been learning everything on my own. Next.js is like Java for JS develop. Okay, I guess. Then maybe I should learn Next.js. Shug, I guess. Okay. Za, hello, bro. What do you building? Hello, Za. Welcome to my stream. I'm building an appointment booking SaaS. Vicious guys, coding still worth it? Yes, Vicious, coding is still worth it. Even if with vibe coding, you need to understand the code, right? So yeah, it is still worth it. So, so I have created the database schema. Hold on, just I'll just create the server src app.ts. Then here I'll create server.ts. Here we have import express from express. Yes. Const export export const app equals express const app, then app dot use express dot url encoded extended to true, import course from course, import cookie parser from cookie parser. And here in my .env, here I'll also create node environment as development, and I'll add this. Hold on, I'll add this in the node.env sample as well. And here it will be 3000, because in front we'll be using Next.js. This is done. Finding Sample, this was done, course fine, expiry, make it 30 days and make it 60 days. Yep. uh, Here also make it 30 days, make it 60 days. This is done. env is done, extended true. Then here we'll import dot env from dot env, then dot config. I'll use path as dot env. This is done. Course is the course we are using, this app.use, then app.use express.json, and this will be above this express.json, app.use cookie parser, app.use course, and here we have origin as process.env where is it, course origins. This is done. So we need to add credentials, true is required, parser. Yeah, we can just move this here, and test route, test health check, we can add health check out. Shack, for this SaaS, which tech or library you're using, bro? For this SaaS, I'm using Express, Node, Postgres, Prisma. For frontend, I'm going for Next.js, Shat.c, and Tailwind CSS. That's it. Is this your final product or another project, bro, for learning? This is my real world SaaS that I'm trying to build. Like, it's one of the SaaS that I'll be building. So yeah. Spray. Which course you learned? I completed my BTech. Niranjan Kumar. Thanks for the flowers, man. Sharp Shooter. Hello, Sharp Shooter. Welcome to my stream. If you keep posting like this, making projects live, I will watch it every time. Thanks, Sharp Shooter. Thanks a lot, man. Shark. Suggest me some good YouTube channels from you. Learn. Uh, there's this YouTube channel called Chai or Code YouTube channel that is very good. Sprays Gaming. Which course you choose in bachelor? I chose BTech in information technology. Shark, isn't ChatGPT Go free for some time in current India currently? I think so, yeah. कोड विथ क्या बना रहे हो भाई? कोड विथ बंचू, मैं एक SaaS बना रहा हूँ, सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ सर्विस, अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग सॉफ्टवेयर एज अ सर्विस. Harsh Dikshit. Hello Harsh, welcome to my stream. Can you show me your UI UX please? Harsh, I have not created a UI UX for this project yet. I'm basically, this is the first day, and right now I'm working on the backend. App dot get slash health check, and here we'll have request comma response, have this, and this will be of type request from Express, this will be of type response from Express, yes, and here we'll have a return rest dot status 200 dot json success true, right, and message health is okay. Okay, this is done. App.get is done. Then after all of this, I'm exporting my cons. No, okay, export default app. This is done. Then import .env from .env, then .env.config. We have this .env.config, and path will be ./.env. This is done. Then const import app and app.js. Yes, and after this const port. If I have port, then process.env.port, or it will be 4001, but by default it's 4001. And const, okay, then now we'll do app.listen port comma this listen, then console dot log server running successfully on port dollar port. This is done. Fine. Now let's see moment of truth. ls. Okay, fine. Package.json. This will be server.js. Dev, we have index.ts. Okay, we can make this index.js. Same thing. Make it index.ts. This is my index.js. This is done. Fine. Now this. Okay, fine. npm run dev server on a port 4000. Now if I come here, Asis Mohanty, what is this app about? It's which app? Basically, this the app that I'm building, or the app like the variable that I'm using in my code. Code with Bunchu. You are making agent or just like normal appointment booking system? It's a normal appointment booking system. सर आप कितना फास्ट कोड टाइप कर रहे हो, मेरे को कुछ कोडिंग नहीं आती. नरेन क्रांति, नरेन, इट्स फाइन. लाइक एक टाइम पे सब बिगिनर ही होते हैं, तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है कि आप फास्ट को आप कोड नहीं समझ आ रहा तो आपको डरना चाहिए. ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है, आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे आपका भी हो जाएगा. सो ओके, लेट्स डिलीट दिस प्रोजेक्ट. देयर आर टू मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स मैन. डिलीट agent to do mobile app. Delete this. Now I can create a new folder as collections here. And how to create a new folder here? Anything here? Nothing. Okay, import collections, new collection, and it should be appointment booking SaaS. And where is it? Appointment booking SaaS. And we have add a request. Just health check. Make this health check, and here it will be http localhost 4000/health check. Let's see what we get. Unauthorized है इसमें unauthorized कहाँ से आया? hold on, just a sec. Port server running on port, okay, 4000 http local health check. Okay, hold on.
Unauthorized request. What did I use? App.this. I come JSON. I use this. Okay, fine. You have to do extended first and then this one. So this is working. And just a sec. Here if I do okay, health is fine. If I make this, it should be health is fine. This is fine. This is done. This is done. This is done. Close this. Now in my backend src utils, I need to create a Prisma.ts. This I need. Okay. Now in my utils, I need a Prisma. In my utils, where is it? Pond AI agent. Not in utils. Where was it? In my lib. This one. Okay. Sprays Gaming. Thanks, brother, for giving me information. I was in 12 class by management stream, and I was confused which course should I learn for AIML. Okay, welcome. Sharpshooter. Did you learn most of the coding by yourself or while doing internship or a job? I learned coding everything from YouTube only, and in job I learned about Spring Boot because in my job we had to learn about. I was working with Spring Boot there, and then in my freelancing projects I learned with Django. So yeah, I meant about the SaaS. So basically, it's an appointment booking SaaS for online and offline business. Basically, customers can come to this platform. Basically not customers. Basically, business owners can come to. It's a B2B business SaaS. Basically, a business will come to this SaaS. They will create their account, create their organization. Then they can create services. For example, coaching calls or if it's an offline booking, like dentist can come for, they can create appointment, like list their appointment, then customers, then they will get a URL, they will go to that URL, then they can book. Customer will make the booking, and this SaaS will help them to get the payment and all of this thing. Jordan Lamau. Okay, I have an awesome SaaS idea, but I'm not getting any investors, bro. Like, see, first you need to build an MVP, make a working prototype, then you will get investors. Can you go live for once? Can you go live for once? Whom are you I'm live only. No, don't use Prisma. Use regular SQL and PostgreSQL. See, regular SQL and it's very unsafe also, because we should not. It's a coding practice. We should not directly write SQL in our code. Tushar, do you have any specific niche for SaaS yet, like specialized? Uh, Basically, it's not going to be specialized, but it's for targeting offline and online businesses both. So yeah, Asim, you are a junior dev now. Yeah, I am. Maybe I'm a junior dev only. Yeah, I have only 1 year working experience. Assam, Asis Mohanty. Which year grad? I graduated in 2023. Lokesh, B2B, business to business. Yeah, I mean run it in Go Live. Actually, front end I have not built the front end yet, so I cannot run it. I'm working with the APIs right now. Kunal, hello Kunal, welcome to my stream. I'm a second year computer student and I have not started coding yet. How to start now? Pick one programming language. I will suggest go with JavaScript or Python. Tushar, nice. I see. Good luck though. I hope you achieve your goal, man. Thanks, Tushar. Thanks, man, and thanks for joining the stream. Ganesh Kumar, hello Ganesh, welcome to my stream. So guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing. Just a reminder. So import dot env from dot env, then dot env dot config path dot env. This is done. Then we need import Prisma client from, let's see what we get, @Prisma client. Okay, then import Prisma import Prisma PG, Prisma adapter PG. Okay, now import pool from PG. Then here we have const pool equals new pool connection string equals process.env.data. Where is my env.env? Database URL. We have database URL and this is an object, so it will be like this. Then const adapter equals new Prisma PG pool. Fine, then export const Prisma equals new Prisma client. I'll pass the adapter. What is this issue? Prisma client. Prisma client. Module has no Prisma. Import Prisma client. Okay, hold on. Maybe like this I'll get. Hold on. What mess up did I do? Schema or Prisma? Migration. We got this. We are getting this issue. Prisma client at the rate. We have this module either Prisma has no exported member Prisma client. Okay. Prisma client.env. We have this import. Okay. Adapter PG. Prisma PG. Gumball. Good night, bro. Good night, Gumball. Thanks for joining. Tushar, second year and not started it. Okay. Which this API integration app? Uh, Gartiko, can you explain? And thanks for joining the stream. Tushar, Postman. Okay. See, it's so hard to get a job, bro. Now, I agree. You're a backend dev or a full stack. I'm a full stack developer. Jordan, bro, do you know why pure SQL causes security concerns in backend code? Yeah, actually, pure SQL. Firstly, if you are using pure SQL, it's very susceptible to SQL injection attacks. So that's one of the major attacks. ओके सनी दी आज की जॉब भी महंगी हो गई है, मिल ही नहीं रही और औकात से बाहर हो गई है अब तो. ओके due to improve query management and error handling sequences. Okay, can you suggest 2 project ideas for resume? Sharpshooter, I need to understand your skills first. Assume it's for SQL injections actually. Okay, I'm a BSc third year student. I want to enter tech field. Currently I'm learning Python, so to pursue data analyst. Yeah, it's a good path if you're interested in this. Yeah, see, whatever you, no matter what path you take, you have to be very good in it. That's what matters. आज मैं जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रही थी. सनिधि, आज मैं जॉब के लिए अप्लाई कर रही थी, जॉब ही एक्सपायर हो गया. वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम परचाई ब्रो वॉचिंग. थैंक्स परचाई. गुड लक बहन. Gumball, npm I@type. See, actually, we are using TypeScript, right? So we have to use types. Jordan, save the stream. Okay. Srinath, which is best, Postman or Requestly? I have only used I have not used Requestly, so I don't know. क्या गुड लक भैया मत पूछो लक का. तुषार, ओके, वेल ट्राइंग. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट सुनिधि और सनिधि. ऑल द बेस्ट सनिधि. Asi Mohanty, can you show your resume just for inspiration? Actually, I have not updated my resume. It's been ages. आदर्श भाई वाइब कोडिंग कर रहे हो? आदर्श बैकएंड के लिए तो वाइब कोडिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Is it possible to do data analyst without a tech degree, and what do I need to do? Is it possible to do data analyst without a tech degree? Yeah, you can do, but you have to be very good in it. And in India, you will not get a job because in India you will need degree. So thanks, welcome. Okay, so why am I getting this error? Prisma utils lib. Hold on. SRC in my SRC. If I close this Prisma SRC, we have all of this schema of Prisma migration, Prisma config, and I have this SRC, right? And this SRC. Hold on. Now, if I do it again, close it, clear, npm run db migrate. What will I get? npm run db generate. Okay, yeah, now this error is fixed. Okay, npm run dev, we got this. Now if I come here, health is fine, I got this. Okay, so here merge social media application environments, I can create a new environment here. We can delete this environment, then authentication system. Which environment is this? Hold on, environment. Okay, fine. So here to do application, delete this. Let's create a new environment here. Social media application. Okay, fine. There we go. We got this. Fine, this is done. This is done. Alright. If I come to my chat, this is also done. I've created the schema. I am following this way. I'm following this Parth, hello Parth, welcome to my stream. I want to start a live project on YouTube, but my production days are pretty hog right now. Okay, you have to take your time. You have to manage your time. Parth, Tushar, India, and Joe. Yeah, I know. Just fix this schema Prisma. Okay, generate client provider. Huh? Vinod. Actually, we fixed this. I just had to. Okay, am I getting this error again? Why? Schema dot Prisma. Okay, what are you saying here? Just give a generator client provider Prisma client JS data source DB provider. Okay, Prisma client JS data source DB provider Postgres SQL. I did fix it. So why am I getting this here? Close it. Schema or Prisma post. Hold on. If I come here, where is it? Repositories. Schema dot here. Okay, schema dot Prisma. Client JS. Okay, I need to remove this output here. Remove this output, provide a Postgres, done. And in my ts config, what do I need? Ts config, Prisma config, this is same only, fine. And my prisma.ts, and in my utils, src lib prisma.ts. If I do npm run db migrate, npm run db generate, Prisma client. Okay, this is done. Now if I do npm run dev issues, if I make this, where is it? Come here and I do this. Now if I come here and if I close all of this, make it inside lib, move, delete this, keep this utils for now. Now if I come here and close this, npm run dev, if I go to lib and go to my YouTube Prisma, I'm not getting the error, okay. And if I do this again, not getting this, and now if I close it, and if I do this again, okay, fine, this is working here. Now let's do this and delete this, and here let's create a dot git ignore backend slash don't track tnv backend slash don't track node modules also. Fine, this is done, this is done, this is done. Okay, then front end don't track dot env, then front end don't track node modules, then in backend don't track test folder also. This is done. Where is it? There we go, your repositories. Let's create a new repository. It will be a private repository, okay. I started with prediction contract on ETH price prediction, completed the contract and testing but could not complete the front end. Okay, Parth, you need to work on the front end a bit more. Jewel, bro, I don't have a degree. Do foreign startup company need degree? No, they don't ask for degrees. They only care about your skills, Jewel. Sunidhi, Java backend developer. सोपरा स्टीरी एक रेफरल मिला था इंजीनियर ट्रेनिंग के लिए. ओके, रिलैक्स. Hello relaxation nights, welcome to my stream. Can you tell me good resource on YouTube for follow full stack? There's this YouTube channel called Chai Code YouTube channel. You can learn everything from there. Okay, I heard many people doing it without a tech degree, and that gave me hope to do it. Need an urgent advice on this. See, people can do it without a tech degree, but you will not get a job in India. Like, you have to target remote startups in foreign countries. ऐसा नीश, हेलो. आज कैसा लंबा सेशन. एक्चुअली ऐसा नीश आपसे सो लाइक क्या बोला था मैं, SaaS बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया है तो इसके वजह से. एंड जस्ट रिमाइंडर गाइस, इफ यू एंजॉइंग द स्ट्रीम डू कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग. ओके, do you use Zord in the backend? Yes, Jordan, I use Zord for validation, data validation in my backend. जॉब करते हैं आप एज अ, मैं जॉब करता था एज अ डेवलपर. मोहम्मद, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम, मोहम्मद दानी. ओके, remove the output part and just generate, and I did that and it solved the error. Thanks. Path install types. Okay, just generate and migrate now. Okay, or get the Prisma client from generated directory. Okay, keep doing bro. Thanks Saket, thanks for joining. अनुज, क्या बन रहा है? अनुज एक SaaS सॉफ्टवेयर बना रहे, SaaS बना रहा हूँ. ओके, कोड वर्ल्ड बैकएंड एंड फ्रंट एंड both contain getting known file, right? Then what's the point of creating getting known root folder? Basically, in my backend, inside my backend, I don't create the git ignore. I create it in my root, so that from there I can control both my front end and backend. Alternate. Can you name this channel? Can you name the channel again? Alternate. The channel name is Chai or Code. PK Travel Live Banu. Hello PK Travel. Welcome to my stream. How do you usually learn? How like do you watch YouTube videos and try building projects after watching videos, or do you follow something else? Basically, first, if it's a completely new tech stack, then I watch one or two videos and try to code along with those videos. Then after that, I try to build projects on my own. Hello PK Travel. Welcome to my stream. What is your project about? It's a SaaS project, software as a service, appointment booking software as a service. Can you take the full stack channel name again? Chai or Code YouTube channel. Can you take okay, done. Hello, new to the stream. What kind of SaaS is it? Hello, Vivek. Welcome to my stream. Vivek Sharma. Welcome to my stream. It's an appointment booking SaaS for businesses, B2B SaaS. Hope you make it. Mokit, let me know if you are interested in collaborating on coding. Parth, maybe in future we can do that. Oh yeah, okay. Hitesh, right? Yes, that one only. Aman. Hello, Aman. Welcome to my stream. Can you take the full stack channel name again? Chai or Code YouTube channel. भाई टर्बो रिपो यूज़ करो बहुत इजी होगा. ओके व्हाट इज़ टर्बो रिपो? व्हाट इज़ टर्बो रिपो? Optimize Java and TypeScript written in Rust. Okay, what is this? Remote caching. Okay, let's see. We'll do that. GitHub new repository. Appointment booking SaaS. Appointment booking SaaS repository. So clear. Get init. Let's see git ignore. Okay, fine. Now if I go here, only get init inside this. Let's see. Okay. Dot env node modules. Fine. Git status. Git add all of this. Git commit dash m first commit, then git branch main, then here git mode add origin, then git push this. So here everything here, Prisma, schema.prisma. This is done, main thing is done. So okay, this is done. Now I can close this, come to my profile. Okay, so here, where was I? Right. Chai or Code, okay, yeah. Path setup hectic hai bus turbo repo. Once that is done, it's smooth right from there. Okay, I'll try that. Relaxation. Sorry, I'm new to development. Just wanted to know what SaaS means. What's the difference from a website? SaaS is a software as a service. Basically, you build a software and people pay you to use your software because it solves a particular problem. देव शर्मा, यो ब्रो, हेलो देव शर्मा, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. अनुज गुप्ता, अभी तक 3 घंटे में क्या क्या किया भाई? अभी तक 3 घंटे में वी हैव बिल्ड दी स्कीमा. ये स्कीमा बनाया और उसके बाद एक डेवलपमेंट फेज वाइज पूरे एक डेवलपमेंट स्ट्रक्चर बनाया जिसको हम लोग फॉलो करके सैस को कंप्लीट करेंगे. ये बनाया एंड प्रोजेक्ट सेटअप किया. बैकएंड का सर्वर इनिशियलाइज कर दिया है. अब बस कोड करना है एपीआईज को. सो दैट्स द थिंग. ChatGPT is a SaaS. Anything you have to buy via software is a SaaS. Okay, Vinod. टर्बो रिपो में सिंगल रिपो सारा बैकएंड एंड फ्रंट एंड रख सकते हो एंड यू कैन मेंटेन पैकेजेस. ओके Amar Dutt, what's the progress? Basically, we are done for today. Basically, we have built the schemas. We have developed the ER diagram. So we know the exact database schema designs and the relationships. Now we just need to build the controllers, API routes, and implement authentication, and then implement Google Auth as well. कोड विथ हैरी और अपना कॉलेज इनसे भी कर सकते हैं. लाइक आई लाइक कोड विथ हैरी. मैंने अपना कॉलेज का फॉलो किया नहीं है. कोड विथ हैरी का अच्छा होता है. द इंडियन गेमर, हेलो द इंडियन गेमर, वेलकम टू माई स्ट्रीम. कौन से क्लास में हो आप? आई हैव कंप्लीट माई बी टेक. निरंजन टॉप क्लास. ओके. You brainstorm the complete project idea on the stream. Yes, I have done that. I brainstorm like in my previous stream. If you watch my previous stream, like it's called, I think, market research. There I have brainstormed the idea of this SaaS, and today I have also done a few coding structure part, and also the ER diagram, and then the schemas for the database. That's what I've done today. ट्राई TS क्यों यूज़ कर रहे हो, डायरेक्ट JS यूज़ करो. एक्चुअली टाइप स्क्रिप्ट ये एक पूरा SaaS बना रहे हैं ना, तो ये काफ़ी बड़ा कोड बेस होने वाला है. तो इसमें रन टाइम एरर से बचने के लिए वी कैन यूज़ टाइप स्क्रिप्ट. अनुज गुप्ता, थैंक्स, वेलकम. बेटर टाइप सेफ्टी. या आप कौन से क्लास में हो? द इंडियन गेमर, आई कंप्लीट माई बीटेक. मैं स्कूल में नहीं हूँ. अपना कॉलेज नॉट एफिशिएंट. ओके. You have completed BTech. Yes, I have completed my BTech. One solution, bro. In BTech, which year? I have completed my BTech. Jordan, I'm not sure why we have to continue to write code for auth when it's always the same. Why isn't there a package for that besides? Because sometimes it can change. People might build some new logic for that, right? Will rewatch your stream tomorrow to understand the database schema flows. I'm really bad at that. Yeah, Amar, you can watch the stream. We will understand the basic database schema and the relationship diagram also. अच्छा, न्यूज़ प्लेसमेंट क्या सीन रहे हो ब्रो? क्या अच्छा नोसी प्लेसमेंट क्या है? वन क्वेश्चन है मेरे मना. HTML से JS सब कर लिया है, अब बैकएंड स्टार्ट करूँ या रिएक्ट? पहले रिएक्ट करो. मोहम्मद आनी, पहले रिएक्ट करो. इससे क्या है कि आप एक बार आपका फुल स्टैक, आपका फ्रंट एंड कम से कम कंप्लीट हो जाएगा रिएक्ट करने के बाद. उसके बाद यू कैन गो इनटू बैकएंड. Smile Dubar. Hello, Smile Dubar. Welcome to my stream. Like, I'm also building my SaaS. Can we help each other? Like, I'm focused on my SaaS. Like, if you need any advice and all, you can DM me on Instagram, or you can book a call with me. It's a paid call, but yeah, you can book a call and I can help you there. Bittu Kumar. For auth and SSO, I mostly use Keycloak for faster development. Okay, what is Keycloak? Let's see. What is Keycloak? Keycloak React. What is that? Integrate schema is a standard way to manage author using official Keycloak JavaScript adapter. Okay, fine. I'll check that out. अच्छा, नाइस. प्लेसमेंट का क्या सीन रहा आपका? लाइक मैंने ऑफ कैंपस प्लेसमेंट निकाला था. मैंने 1 साल जॉब किया, उसके बाद मैंने जॉब छोड़ दिया. Danish, hello Danish, welcome to my stream. Can you tell me where to get and what to start? I have literally no idea. See Danish, I need to understand your strengths, your weaknesses, and your current skills. I will suggest, if you need a detailed guidance where I can give you my full attention, you can book a call with me. You can DM me. It's a paid call. You can DM me on Instagram if you're interested. There I'll understand what your skills are, what your strengths and weaknesses are. Then I will tell you a complete dedicated path for yourself that you can follow for next few months, and you can achieve your goal. Does AI will take over this field? It will not take over entirely, but it will reduce the number of jobs. Backend में क्या use कर रहे हो? MongoDB और Postgres? Anuj Gupta, I am using Postgres. I mean, can't we just use Amazon Cognito and then change it if we need to custom logic? Okay, maybe. I have no idea about it. The Indian, why you left your job? Because I wanted to build my own SaaS build my own startup, and I want to do something of my own. That's why. React or Angular, which one is best as a full stack Java developer? For Java, see, React has a different style. Angular is much more structured, but in React you have to structure it yourself. If you are experienced enough, you can write clean React code, but in Angular, writing structured code is by default. Bro, is BCA or MCA worth in future? See, BCA and MCA is fine, but the only difference is that jobs don't come to BCA MCA. You have to go to jobs. Like, you have to apply to companies and you have to build really good projects. You have to beat the BTech students, right? And the only thing you can do is make good projects. Bittu Kumar, is it worth it? It's very far Java based and just run it with Docker or Podman and it deals with your management. Okay, that's nice. Currently, how you are earning? I'm doing freelancing. I build freelancing projects and I also give consultation to people who are really interested into getting a dedicated path where I get on a call with them. Then I try to understand the strengths, their weaknesses, their current skills, and what their goal is, and then I tell them a dedicated path that will help them to reach their goal as a developer or as a SaaS founder. React, okay. How can we be safe in this field? In the keep your basics really strong, keep your foundation strong, and be a quick learner. मोहम्मद दानी, कंपटीशन बहुत है एज अ बिगिनर मार्केट में, कैसे एंटर हो और किस टाइप का प्रोजेक्ट बिल्ड करें? कंपटीशन हाँ है, काफ़ी है, बट आपको अच्छे लेवल के प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाने पड़ेंगे. आपको पहले बेसिक समझना पड़ेगा, याद रट्टा नहीं मारना पड़ेगा. बेसिक को समझो, उसके बाद प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, अच्छे लेवल के प्रोजेक्ट लाइक फुल स्टैक प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, फिर उसको डिप्लॉय मारो. व्हेन फॉर प्लेसमेंट डज लक मैटर और डू स्किल्स मैटर? स्किल्स मैटर, लक विल रन आउट. Can you guide how to find clients? See, I get clients from my own network. I don't depend on Upwork or Fiverr or any other freelancing websites. I get my client from my own network, my friends, family, relatives. They know my skills and they know me. So if they want to start anything, they recommend me to their friends or relatives. That's how I get clients. शुभदीप भाई, आप कौन से कॉलेज से थे? शुभदीप, आई हैव कम्प्लीट, मैं सिक्किम मणिपाल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी से था, वहाँ से मैंने बीटेक की है. Alright, so alright everyone, I think I'll wrap up now. I hope you enjoyed this stream, and if you enjoyed this stream, do consider subscribing to the stream, and I'll again come back live tomorrow and we'll continue building this project, this SaaS basically. So I enjoyed today and I hope you enjoyed it too, and if you did, do consider subscribing to the stream, and you can join the Discord link. You can join my Discord also, or if you want to book a one-on-one call with me where I give you a detailed guided path by understanding your skills, your current strengths and weaknesses, and understanding your goals, then you can DM me on Instagram. You can get a call with me. So yeah, all the best, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.